So good morning, everyone. Salam alaikum. Buongiorno. Um, buenos dias. What's going on here? It's not rocket science. I mean, price still trading on top of these 25 flat bodies of the candle hasn't been able to close below that flat number there. This easy to to say is when you have the close below that area and price already moved below the 2498.5. What makes sense is that we're gonna continue trading to the downside. No matter if the numbers are good or bad, whatever, that can be the option now. As right now, no body of a candle has closed below the 25 flat. And when the price close, price needs to do exactly the same thing that in this area, right? If the move is to the upside, pull back, break out, and look for continuation. It's just that you need to be in your computer, right? To take the trade as a breakout trader. Now, what happened there? Why heavy reaction from the 25 going to the specific kilo there? Rejecting a SAP and plain and simple garbage range from the 25.10 to the 25 flat. It's 100 pip range, and a lot of things are going on in this area here, like lack of momentum at any given point. And you need to understand this: trading to the downside on gold is not an easy task. As a matter of fact, always in the market, when price create a structure and you have a support confirmation low, be really careful. Being breakout trader, they're trading at that area of confirmation of support. These things, you don't see those things on a 30-minute candle. You don't see those things on a hourly candle, let's say 4 hours. No, you need to drop the chart to the 5 minutes and always have this information in mind. What? A close above the kilo, a pullback breakout. A close above the kilo, a new candle respecting the high, 1 minute, create resistance, second 1 minute, not respecting that thing. Wherever you're trading from the downside, close that shit, because it's not going to be that easy for you to hold that entire position again. Price as a breakout trader from the daily low. This is your previous daily low, a beautiful reaction from there, right? A liquidity graph. Price leaving little to no volume there. Anything less than 15 pips is fake out. Now, like I said, the fake out can be valid, but for this fake out to be valid, this candle high price need to break that candle high. If not, this is just lack of momentum, and we probably get the move that we want here. Let's see what happened on this 5 minute candle. See that 1 minute there? That 1 minute is about to close on that key level there. So this may be pretty much it. This may be the flush in the market here. So always have that in mind. But trading at these specific areas, always you need to be very, very careful. Having a candle leaving the daily low, not every day is for you to be a breakout trader, like hunting for 20, 50, 100 pips to the downside. You have information. This 2498.27 can be the reaction point for today. But this candle is looking good now. I'm not going to lie. This candle is looking it's really nice because the retest is done. And this is plain and simple lack of momentum. All we need is not having FOMO, not pulling the trigger now. You're trading the last 10 minutes of the hourly. Hourly candle can easily give you, let's say this candle can easily go as a confirmation resistance, not closing below the kilo. A new candle can drop a little bit, but the next candle can easily break this high. If you want to look for a trade, even with pre-New Year session, we may get paid before the news are coming in play in here. All we need is, in my opinion, a body of a candle that can close below this area here. And at that point, a third head to this area here, you can do it impulsive again. And with that one, you can target 20 pips to the downside from that previous reaction. This can be your trade. Now, if the trade happens from the upside, then all you need to understand is that you can be a breakout trader from there. And from this key level here, you can still target this area here, the 95.50. This can be your trade pre-session. Until then, nothing, because this level here can hold for the rest of the fucking week. We probably see fake after fake out here. Yeah? But we trade probabilities, right? And the probabilities and the algorithms, the bots that move the market, they're very specific the way they trade. This is the way that I do it. A body of a candle, pull back little to none, break the low of whatever candle body close below this area here, go for sells. If not, all you're gonna do here is feed in the market, as a breakout trader. Wait for it. If the move happen in one single shot, the price go to 100 pips, 300 pips, 1,000 pips to the downside, and that close doesn't happen, it's just an impulsive, then I would say if you're gonna do impulsive, do it as a daily low. If that daily low gave you 20 pips, then be happy with it. Other than that, being impulsive trader here, impulsive trader here, impulsive trader right there, you're gonna become John Wick. Let that candle close, let the next candle break the low of that candle there, and that's gonna be good information, especially because this candle here created the road for price to continue downtown as long the high of this candle is being respected. And you're probably thinking, oh shit, Kerwin is looking for a breakout. What if I pull the trigger now? What if I pull the trigger here because I want to be the smartest in the room? Be careful, because if at market open, price decide to respect the low of the day and price induce you little to none there and start pumping here, then you just got stopped out and the move that can last all the way up there. And that can be the problem here. But if you try something below this area here, you have more information at that point. Let's see. That's what we need. A close below the key level, a little pullback, and a break of that candle there. And that's going to be pretty much it. Even if it's at the very beginning of the session, that can be 20 pips easy to the downside. The retest, I mean, the setups already happened overnight. The one that I was telling you about in the 4 hours. You know, if you look at the daily outlook from last night, this was the setup. A support, a candle that closed inside that area there, this candle probably respecting the high, breaking the low, go for sell. But if you missed it, I get it. I missed it. I was not home, so I missed the move. So let's see. Yeah. Let's see, my childrens. Anybody in a current trade? Okay, here we go. That's the first close. Now we need pullback, no pullback, no trade. Little pullback. Well, that's the pullback at 25. Yeah, we can go for it. You guys want to go for it? Or you guys want to wait for the 1 minute pullback? Can I wait for a little bit of a pullback? I'd love to see a pullback to this little zone. 25.77. Man, don't leave, mama. Don't leave. Yeah. Look, that candle's only 20 seconds left for this candle to break its own low. Once that candle break the low, I'm gonna jump on it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yep, I'm gonna have to raise the high of this candle here. And I'm gonna close something if price is breaking its own high. Once I get in, I'm gonna be okay. All right. Give me my entry, mi amor. It's tricky. It's tricky because now this woman is not respecting that high. I'm still gonna take it though. Yeah. Once price is breaking. The 81. Yeah, it's 51. That's gonna be my stop loss. Okay. A la 1, a la 2. Candle has 16 seconds to break that low. If not, this is gonna be another fake out.
Va a cerrar H1, hermano. Buenos días, en 3 minutos.
Sí, buenos días, Cristian. ¿Cómo estás, hermano?
Bien, bien.
Sí, va a cerrar H1, pero viene New York Session, so...
Ok, listo.
Yeah, that can be the option, like 20 pips. 20 to the 95 can be done. Yeah, it's hesitating a lot. Okay, a la 1. Don't risk too much. A la 2. A la... Wish me... Retest a little bit. Give me 1. A little bit more. Nah, she's not having it. So yeah, it's not a high probability setup. She's
Also,
not
the
having
last
it.
5 of the hour, boss.
Yeah, the hourly candle. But if you look left, the hourly candle here, what this hourly candle created, well, was a little to no top wick. The 30-minute candle there, little to no top wick. 50-minute candle is the one that is hanging in this range in here. But yeah. So nothing going on. If the setup happening now, it's gonna be a a pain in the ass. We can still consider it as prices is respecting this area or this area here. We can still consider that 2501, 2501. Because this candle can easily be a fake support candle. Why? Because the 50-minute candle is closing strong. But I get it. It's a hourly candle opening, and that can be a straight push. Yep. Especially because price already rejected that area for 10 pips. So nothing. Oh, wait. I'm going to wait. Yeah. The setup is there. Setup is there. Yeah. The thing is that can be a flash move, like 20, 30 pips that probably don't even give you a chance to secure something. So that's the problem with this setup. Yeah, you see? Yeah, and that's the zone still. So not worth it. It's not worth it. Another fake out from the Kilel.
Cada vez que toca ese 500 parece que toca agua caliente, hermano.
Yes, I know, man. Ese 2500 está fuerte. It's really strong level there. It's not a bad idea to be breakout trader because that can give you like 50 pips in a flush. But you know, it is what it is. I like what this candle is doing though. Still respecting that resistance. So I'm gonna pull the trigger at the break of this candle. Gonna use low risk. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna use low risk. I'm gonna target the 95. If she gives me more than that, then it is what it is. Okay. 7-6 and holy freaking. Wish me. God damn. The damage is done, so wish me push a little bit. Wish me luck. Hi, wish me luck. I'm in. Yep, I'm in. If this thing don't pay for 50 pips, then I'm gonna have to wait until the news are being released. Yeah, it's gonna be like a quick 50 to 60 pips. The damage is done on that 5-minute candle, on that 1 minute that closed below the kilo. So now the high of this candle needs to be respected. Like I said, don't put too much money on that trade. If this is gonna pay, it's gonna pay like this. And a la one, are you gonna break that high or no? Yeah, okay. That's it. No more push than that, baby. Yeah, 1 minute is trying to do fake out from that kilo. Okay, yeah, stop me out. That's all right. That was it. Yeah, and I don't want to consider like holding positions or anything like that because it's nothing. If this price action made a lot of sense, this candle didn't have any business to push to this area here. It's okay. We kind of get it later on. No worries. No worries. Be happy. And if she break now, I'm gonna be super pissed off. So she better stay in this range for the rest of the session. Because she's still respecting the resistance candle confirmation, but I didn't want to risk like 30 pips in this trade. Yeah. So the 1 minute now. That 1 minute wants to close back below that 25. And if that's the case, then breaking the low of this candle, you can give it a second try. But imagine risking another whatever 17 pips in here to be breakout trader. Man, no, thank you. No. Yeah. Look at that 1 minute again. Yeah. Close back below the kilo. Same. This area here need to be respected. She need to deliver 50 pips to the downside. That's a shame. It's a shame. Especially because price, you know, breaking the high of this candle didn't make sense at all. But price respecting that confirmation resistance. So it is what it is. 31. It's a strong level. But I think the option's still there. La. Me parezco a ti. 13 seconds left for this candle to bend over on that low and to flush. Yeah. If the stop loss wasn't that big, I'll say, yeah, it's okay to give it a second try. with the stop loss on that high over there. But the stop loss is too much for to get like kind of this trade, for example, 35 pips to the downside. Too much headache. Too much headache. 35. Yeah. That can be a quick flush. And the only reason that you can force it there is because when price is leaving this previous daily low, even pre-news, you can flush a little bit more to the nearest big kill there. So, but I get it. She was not having it, and that's perfectly fine. Gonna paper trade this just to see if for real this candle managed to close below this and this reaction here, the body of the candle. Paper trade.
Morning, Kerwin. How are you?
Morning, good brother, and you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. I managed to get a nice trade earlier.
Really?
Right at 2504, or sorry, 2503.9.
Oh, beautiful, bro.
I took a sell there, and
Very nice.
with the 8 pip stop, so it was pretty nice.
Oh, cool.
I was expecting now the 1 hour to pull back up, to do a retest and look for a second trade, but
look at this candle, the time that she's trying to deliver that volume. Wow.
going.
Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is.
I've been finding
hello.
the chart.
Oh. Go ahead, Elias.
Hello. Oh yeah, I was just saying. There's a lot of moves sometimes between like 6:30 and 8 o'clock. You got the like pre-New York.
Yep.
Moves, and then I used to miss a lot of them, and I started coming to the chart earlier.
Yeah. That's Gucci, bro. That's Gucci. Yeah, see, it had that body close below this confirmation support. That's extra information for that flush to happen, though. But that's all right. No FOMO. No FOMO. Be happy.
You consider like at the break of this low again?
Can be a good option as well. Like if you're not in, if you wait for 1 minute pullback, I mean, it's all right. The stop loss though is gonna be huge if you have to enter there. It's gonna be like a 22 for something that the first batch can go to that 95. This thing right here is flushing really nice and easy. Remember the daily outlook that I told you guys. Hey, if London created a reaction on a 4-hour candle, right, from the upside, so you can easily apply that information as a reaction on a bearish candle. Price leaving this low right here can give you 50 pips to the downside, so you still have the option to trade to that 95.65 with the body that closed not long ago for that continuation. And this candle here already did the deep retest that I was talking about in the daily outlook. So this can be pretty much it for the move and from the upside. So all we're gonna see here is a move to the downside. What is the stuff that makes sense to use the kilo as your contention zone? If that kilo is not being respected, then it is what it is. You're not gonna have an easy job holding a position here for the rest of the session because this kilo can give you as many fake out possible. But being a breakout trader from this area can be dangerous. You know, the trade that I consider this trade right here made a lot of sense. You know, this trade made a lot of sense. Price is not having it, so whatever. We have to wait.
Considering like the break of that low, but no, of course, right now, no.
Well, at this point, if you really wanted to sell that low, you can take the sell right there where price is right now, and the same, use like 14, 15 pips in a stop loss. If the killer is not being respected, close something. If the killer gives you a reaction, then you're gonna be good for the rest of the move. You're not selling that deep, you're not selling that low, but you have to understand that this can be your best entry though. This area here can be your best entry. Using the kilo price break the yellow line, close 50. Price goes to that area there, you close, let's say 7 pips in a loss, 7, 8, 10 pips in a loss. It's not that huge, right? But the kilo need to hold like a king. Especially that candle there has 9 seconds left. The high of this candle from now on need to be respected. Plain and simple. That can be your trade. That can be the only option that you may have here. If price break is on high, it is what it is. Price is gonna close back in the range and it's gonna continue in this freaky range. Yeah. And
Kerwin,
yep.
how deep down do you think we can go?
I mean,
You
deep
think like
down,
the 90
look, no,
or
not the 83,
83?
20, 24, 83. Yeah, that's how deep it can. I mean, she can dip even more than that. But the structure that we have in the market, if you look left, that's the area that we can target, you know, from this area here. In total honesty, all this area here, that 83 zone, that previous breakout from the yearly high, that area there, that's the area that we can target here. And that can happen in a flush with the news. You know, at this point, you don't even need the news. What you need is that momentum kicking in before the news with the COMEX opening. Once COMEX deliver that volume below that previous daily low, the trade is done. It should be done by at that point. And you don't even need to trade the news. Plain on something.
Now, another thing is, do you think we can drive down and then just reverse? Like,
oh yeah,
that's what I'm like wondering if
plenty.
like the 90, if we hit the 90 and then we start heading all the way back up again.
Yeah, plenty of times. Price can go to the 95, for example, plain and simple reject from there like a crazy thing and close back inside that 25. The 90s, let's say the 96, this area here, that 96, this area here, that's the 50 pips from London. So that can be your reaction point. And you gotta be done. This is the move that I wanted to get. That's why I placed the bullet there. Wherever this area here, that little fake out from there, that's extra juice from the market. That's just fuckery from the market. Trust me,
Well,
I know what's gonna happen. I know what's gonna happen here, but they're like, Kerwin, you think you're clever, bro? I'm gonna fuck you over and over again. So why me forcing something multiple times in this silly range in there? If price action makes sense, this fuckery candle there didn't make sense at all. That 1 minute there, all of a sudden pushing, just going to stop me up. I'm like, man, this is nasty. What is the stuff that you need to see here? If this candle is really healthy, give me another bullish close and continuation. Why'd you just push to stop me out and then you give me another close below the kilo? That's why I'm like, I'm gonna paper trade this shit. You know, breaking this low again, that makes sense. And you need to reduce the kilo. Even when Fabian is asking, like, if you don't want to, you don't need to sell this low. Price is pushing. Price is in the last 2 minutes. In the last 2 minutes of that 5, that's when the reaction can really happen. Break inside the kilo and let's go north. Other than that, nothing.
I took that one actually when you start saying that was like the best.
Yeah. So that's like a 20 pips so far?
20 pips, yes.
Yeah, that's all right.
Very secure a little bit.
Yeah.
This is the losses, but
this is the 50 pips from the London volume, let's say. Having a close below this price already close below the confirmation support low. So everything that happens now to the kilos, a push to pull back. Once you have the close inside that kilo, that's a different game. Other than that, no, you can still force that trade a little bit more to the daily low, a little bit lower than that. You know, the one that makes sense so far is this one. Yeah, but it is what it is, my children's. You know,
I knew it was gonna happen when you said paper trade.
Yeah, I mean it makes sense, right?
Yeah, that
we're all
candle, that was
trading.
crazy. That was crazy. That 1 minute candle though, that was
know, man.
Out of nowhere.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy shit, bro. For real.
They got to trick you around.
I
didn't take my phone with me to the gym this morning, and I watched that that London 100 pip move. I was like, damn it.
Oh.
That rejection from the 25 was beautiful.
They closed over there.
Okay, brother. Good.
Good morning.
Because I just wanted like to recoup a little bit the losses.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, pretty much break even. So let's just wait for something better.
Yeah, that's good.
Nice.
Now you have some spare money to, you know, for the after the news.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Coachy, brother.
Or you can give it to me. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Marco. How are you, brother?
Good, brother. Good. How are you?
All good, brother.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah.
I have some news today. So hopefully,
A lot of
will-
news. Yeah, a lot of news, man.
Full
we need to
margin.
be patient.
Yeah, full margin. That's the way.
Margin call.
Tomorrow's gonna be a full margin day for sure.
Yeah,
Mhm.
let's see.
If we drop today, you know the area that we're trading, right?
Mhm.
I hope you guys know the area. Give me 1 second. Let me clear a little bit more. I'm gonna remove this line so she can drop a little bit more. Can I move this line because this candle high, that's technically the deepest for a push on COMEX. The high of this area here, that's the key level, and this is the nearest from this low. Give me 1 second. From this low, that's the last support that we had. So price leaving this low, for example, the deepest push that happens for the news, that's gonna be the 25 flat. Now, you know the area that we're trading. Look at that weekly there. This weekly, it's matter of time. If that weekly retests its own low, and that shit can melt for the rest of the week and toward Sunday to Monday morning, the thing can correct heavily this move, leaving a massive fake out like this candle did. So you need to understand that the area that we're trading is a pretty nice area to be aggressive, holding position for sales. Maybe I'm the only stupid, the only dummy in the market right now, planning sales when prices, like the numbers, apparently their numbers are gonna be bad and for the US dollar, but that can create a pretty decent sell-off on gold. But we trade what we see,
Exactly.
We come every day not planning for huge thing because we're not swing traders. We're not planning for a 25, a 24.50 for today, right? Neither for tomorrow or Monday or whatever. No, but we plan, we get in, get out, and that's it.
Sure.
But a lot of things can go south in here. Like a lot of moves can happen to the downside here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna remove this thing so you guys don't get annoyed or get in tease to hold this thing. This is a new 15-minute candle here. They tend to be more aggressive in pullback. If that 15-minute candle is not pulling back that aggressive, this thing is the one who's gonna try to do the cash out. Look how the 15-minute candle closed. And this candle here can easily be a fake support candle here. So, but it is what it is, my children.
Yeah, I think New is gonna do the job.
Yeah.
Because that area is nasty. FOMC even couldn't break that area.
Yeah.
So
Sadly,
hopefully-
with the news though, it's really hard to jump on it because the manipulation is insane. The spread is humongous. It's really crazy.
Yeah.
But we get a pretty decent move, after the news.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Good morning, hermanito.
Good morning. ¿Cómo estás, Juancito?
Bien, todo bien.
Órale, viejito.
Me perdí esa ventica, ole.
Sí, valía la pena, man. Al menos
Sí,
para
sí,
tradear
sí.
hasta los 50 pips de Londres.
Para quedar listo antes de las noticias.
Simón, tener una bala ahí para las noticias.
Para hacerle un full margin a esa mierda.
Yeah, man. Yeah. This low right here.
Yo también estoy aquí, pinche Juan, güey.
¿Cómo andas, Martín?
No mames, ¿por qué no saludas, güey?
¿Cómo te fue en Londres?
Me sacó en break-even, mi jefe no me llamó para cerrar, güey.
Oh.
Se perdieron 100 pips ahí, güey, valiendo verga, güey.
No, Cristian, ¿qué pasa,
¿Qué
Cristian?
pasa, Cristian?
Para cobrar no hay que llamarlo, ya él tiene que aprender a cobrar solo.
Ay, ay,
Sí,
ay.
sí, se va a quedar esperando a que lo llamen para hacer plata, muy duro.
Ajá.
No, güey, yo lo compré en el 10, güey, pero no cerré nada, güey. A mí
Lo
vendí en el
compraste
10,
en el
güey.
10.
Digo, lo vendí en el 10, güey.
Ah, puta, te iba a pegar un coscorronazo ahora mismo si lo compraste en el 10 con esa reyección, ¿no?
Lo vendí en el 10 por Asia, por ahí, güey, y me fui a dormir, güey. Y ya cuando desperté, güey, ya me había sacado, güey. Nomás fue a sacarme la porquería y se regresó, güey.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, because this candle was the confirmation resistance at that breakout, huh?
Ahí mismo estaba el break-even, güey.
Right there, bro. Yeah,
Y
yeah.
no le
Instead of
cerraste
buying that.
nada. No.
Nada, güey, la dejé ahí que se fuera, güey.
Oh man. Yeah, this breakout, this candle here is your breakout from that little zone, and this, let me see this zone in here. I haven't looked at it. No, not really. This is the candle that did the breakout. So yeah, a lot of confluence there for price to pull back to that confirmation resist plus the key level, man. Yeah. But I'm pretty sure that you see this heavy move to the upside there to the kilo, and you're kind of annoyed and say, "Oh no, I'm not gonna sell this shit. It's looking too dangerous." Maybe if a 1 minute create a resistance and the second 1 minute break the low, may be aggressive. Man, it's crazy shit. Well, COMEX is coming soon. 1 more minute for COMEX. Man, I don't wanna buy gold here, to be honest.
Jefe, ¿tú crees que si nos quedamos debajo del 500, las ventas sí tienen más sentido, no?
Sí, Simón. Claro, eso es lo que tiene sentido. Las ventas nada más. Por ahora. Para que tengas que buscar buys, if you need to change your bias, let price close above the 2503. If not, all you're gonna trade here, let's say as a breakout trader, you're gonna trade 20 pips, 30, 40, 50, in something that can push, reject. So you need to be careful. It's looking good for the sense of confirmation of support. If the COMEX breaks this low, the thing is, I'm not expecting heavy volume for COMEX though, because it's the news are coming. But if COMEX is breaking this low, makes a lot of sense. The price is gonna push still. Yeah. We'll see. You say, let's see what happened today. Overall, I don't want to buy gold here. Like with this confirmation support, no. Not really be happy. Me parezco a ti. That's the 25. That's where price is supposed to reject. 22 seconds for this candle to tell the story. First 5 minutes of where I became John Wick. Yes. Correcto. Correcto, mundo. Wow, don't tell me that, comics. No, man, come on. That was it, comics? Can't believe it, comics. That was it, baby. Wow. That hit. Yeah, the thing is, our price still respecting this previous support low. Yeah. Once price is leaving this area, there's a 50 pip pullback there, and that's gonna be the area to plan sells. Pre-news is dangerous to enter for sales right there. Wow. God damn, Charlie. This is good though, but the comics can close bullish or bearish, respecting the kilo. Why? Because if you really want to be aggressive, we can plan at the close of that any candle here, body up on top of that 25, we can plan to trade the range. As a breakout trader, the high of comics, no. If you're gonna plan buys, it's gonna be on top of that reaction, top of the confirmation resistance high. And you're gonna need to risk this much, at least.
Pero eso sería con las noticias, ¿verdad?
Con las noticias, yes, with the news. Yeah. And the problem with the news is that the move can last little to none. Go here to the key level, reject, grab liquidity, and continue trading to the downside. That's the problem there. Yeah. But I don't want to plan buys. Too dangerous. up in London yesterday. 2 minutes left. Ay, lasagna. Oh, shit. This kind of wants to break its own low. So that move is there. The move to the downside is coming to a reality. Wow, baby. Baby. Yeah, man. Fucking hell. That is what it is. Price is gonna flush. Pre-news. I can't believe this madness. I
Antes
can't
tenía que haber
believe
dado.
man, yeah. I can't believe this, bro. Madness, man. Madness. Because the flush can happen now. Qué horror. Qué horror. Bro. Wait, that push.
Quebró el alto, quebró el bajo y no se decide.
Yeah.
Sí.
Pero se va a hacer un flush. It's gonna go deeper, though. Price pulling back. That's why I'm like, you know, if you want to plan buys after this fake out, this support confirmation there, COMEX can break the confirmation support. As long the low of COMEX is being respected, you're okay. But if COMEX close bearish back below this little candle here, that 97, the 98, let's say, there's a lot of confluence in the lower time frames for price to do something like this. The 90, you can plant the 90 there. But COMEX need to close below this yellow line. Let's see. One. Oh, cannot be. This is so ugly. That close right there, side by side with that little tiny time frame there. The little tiny time frames are fighting for life. Yeah, man. This 1 minute is supposed to push little to none to that 98.5. And from there, man, I can't believe this thing is gonna flush for real. Sadly, I don't want to get slippage on the news. So therefore, no reason for me to jump on a trade right now. Let's wait for something nicer though. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's go down now. Are you gonna break that low or no? 13 seconds left. That 98.5, that's the maximum push. 4,
4 minutes
3,
for the news.
2, 1. Yeah, look. Just so you have an idea of what's gonna happen here. If we break that low, it's game over. They're gonna release that volume pre-news. The news probably get leaked. Prices, they're gonna release news pre-session there. Yeah, it's gone. So yeah, it's a lot of confluence here for that move to happen to the downside. Fuck, man. I hate when these news are coming, man. Because when price is giving you something like this, it's such a beautiful feeling. But it is what it is. Whatever. Yeah, news is gambling. Anything can happen. You know, it's really, that's why I'm like, man, it's really hard for me to believe that they're gonna release this volume pre-news. The setup is there. Wow, man. It's insane.
They're not making it easy for us.
No, man.
To jump in, right?
Yeah, why this kind of setup is not happening when, you know, when real overall average price action is going on.
Yeah.
But that's all right. That's all right, baby. It's crazy. Have you ever seen pre-news a candle behaving like this, little to no volume? Bro, this guy is little to none. This is just a fart in the water here.
Honestly, I think he's just gonna drop.
Yeah, that's those 8 pips on a pre-news candle. That's madness. Yeah. For buys, we can plan buys later on. but above this area here. Let the news get released. Let the news, do the heavy lifting, and let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No FOMO.
No
Let's wait.
FOMO. Fuck it. No FOMO. It's funny to know that you're right, but at the same time, with the news, anything can happen. Like, fuck it. I've seen this setup so many times that I know what's going on here. Yeah, fuck.
Like what happened in Monday, remember, Tuesday.
Uh-huh.
Remember, we were
Yep.
selling it, but
Mhm.
it didn't work. It was
Exactly.
we knew it's gonna drop,
Uh-huh.
but it didn't want to drop,
Yeah, it
So-
didn't. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Selling the love comics. That can be the but nothing, mate. Let market decide. We're wrong. We're just a small fish in the ocean. And this ocean is full of whales, sharks. A lot of bad things can go in this market, can happen here. So, man, fuck it. Confluence in the market to target this area here is this area here, the 91. That little area there. Yeah. 45 seconds. And being aggressive, you can target this low. For the upside, we need to wait for something closing above this area.
You want to put
Everybody's
the buy stop on the 90, just in case we miss the sales.
a buy limit.
Yes, to take a buy on the
Nah,
90.
no.
I don't think it's a good idea, but we
No,
made
yeah,
it.
No, not really. Not really. Look, daily, right? You remember that top of the daily candle where that daily was created? That the 14. So imagine this volume here, for example, that daily is roughly 180. The 325, that thing can easily go downtown.
Ooh.
Weak.
Okay, yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, here we go. If the candle break the low, it's gone. So what are the numbers? Huh?
No idea.
Give me a second.
Numbers still pending.
Fuck,
Bad
one.
numbers.
Same.
No.
The same.
The
Yeah,
same?
the same.
Same.
I mean, what it was expected.
Okay.
So we go
Same
I'm
as
down.
gonna
expected.
jump at the, wish me luck. Yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna raise this much. Yeah. Yeah. It's new, so you can wait until the news are, are digested by the market. Gonna target the 90 here. Yeah. That's gonna be 50 pips in a stop loss.
Good luck with it.
15 pips. Go, baby, baby.
Too late, bro.
Huh?
What was your
I
entry?
entered too
Because I
late.
got
My
slipped.
entry is right there where price is right now. My entry is 2497.13. And my stop loss is literally the high of that little zone on the 1 minute. The 98.82. 98.82. Yeah. 98.82. Right here, that little zone. Yeah. And what I need is survive any pullback to that little zone on the 1 minute. That little zone in there. Yeah. That's what I need. If not, this is it. One. Don't give me that shit. Come on. Go downtown now. Go downtown now. Yeah. She need to respect that little zone, that 98. No reason. I mean, price pick liquidity from the 25 need to deliver that volume to the 90, right? And remember, when trading the news, go low risk. Don't go too crazy risking too much here. Even if you're entering right now, go low risk. You're probably getting better entry than me by like 5 pips or 3 pips better
Yeah, I
than
got in.
me. Okay.
Para mí fue peor.
¿De verdad?
Sí, es slippage.
Well, you can close 50 now and don't let that thing go to big loss.
Igual fue con low risk. Very low risk.
Okay. If that's the case, that's all right.
Yeah, my one is very low. I don't like to trade news, to be honest.
Yeah.
No, my spread is 2.5 pips.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, it's about to stop me out. Yeah. I'm sitting here on a 5 pip drag down so far. And don't give me that bullshit. Don't give me that bullshit. Retest your own low now. That low, retest the low. Don't retest that high. Don't be silly. Retest this low. It's gonna retest that high. That's not nice. It's about to stop me out.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep. Took
I'm
me
out.
out. Fucking hell, mate. Took me out. Not even gave me the chance to survive on this thing, man. Holy. Spread took me out. What the fuck? Yeah. That 82. That 82, that was my stop loss right there. This stuff. Man, it's nasty. It's nasty because the move is there to the downside. But that's all right. That's all right.
I mean,
Ahí están los compra.
fundamentally, it makes sense for it to go up a little bit, but technically,
Yeah, I'm not gonna consider any trade right now. You know, even low risk, whatever, it's not worth it for me to consider another trade. And I know this thing is gonna go downtown, but it's not having it. She's not having it. Yeah.
I think tomorrow we're gonna have an absolute banger, so I'm gonna call it for the day.
Okay, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna close my terminal for real. I'm not even gonna waste my time with this.
Yeah, it took me out too.
Yeah.
We came out. Shit.
Yeah.
I think I'm only down like 0.5 or 0.6, so nothing crazy. But tomorrow, 3% easy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. And that's a good approach because if we continue forcing this shit for more, the price wants to get that flush going on to that 90 at least, but it's not having it. We're gonna be wasting, 15 pips, 20 pips, 18 pips. Even if it's low risk, at the end of the day, you can easily end with a 60, 80, 90, maybe 100 pips in drag down. So nothing, consider this to trade. Everything for the session. Don't force it because if you start jumping now on buys, probably price gives you like a 10 pip move toward this area here and reject. Stop to you again with a 20 pip stop loss. Then you're just gonna feed the market in this silly ass range. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to change your bias. If you cannot change your bias, let price at least close above this area here. If not, everything that you trade to the upside here is gonna be fake outs. Like for example, if you're gonna target this area here, you probably need the stop loss below this area, right? Risking 23. Something that this candle can easily close back below the key level, have you there, and you got maybe like 10 pips in a trade. It's not worth it. Yeah. But holding a 50, 60, 100 pip drag down for itself that can go only 50 is not worth it. Though. Yeah. So fuck it, whatever. Market is right. I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm wrong. That's perfectly fine. I can deal with it. I'm a big boy. I don't have any problems being wrong. I have problems rolling my account here in a silly ass range. That's my problem. But being wrong is not that huge.
Exactly, bro. It's a probability.
Yeah.
We were on the wrong side. That's it.
Uh-huh.
Nothing else.
Yep. Correcto. Hey, Reza, how are you, brother?
Good. Oh.
The market maker is here.
Yeah.
No, not me. I remember from the other day, you have it in the left-hand side. This 95 to 2500 is a crazy area. 1 minute with 20, 30 pips over there. I think if we can get a close below to 95, we have a better chance to get even to 80, right?
Yeah, that can be the option as well. Yeah.
But buys were tricky. I won't buy the gold today. Yeah, I need the price close above 10, 25, 10.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, feels dangerous though to buy gold here, to be honest.
Damn. We have 2507, 2508, a lot of contention. So
yeah,
it's not a good idea to do that and counter trending that 4 hours and Wait, London 4 hours is bullish, but
yeah. But this 4 hour candle was looking juicy after that retest to the London 4 hour.
Did at least go to 2490, right? I
Yeah.
expected. Yeah.
Yeah. This area here, that's kind of the area that I wanted to target. This area here. But that 4 hour candle.
That's what I said. That's why I said let's buy that 90.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you go to London high, I'm gonna sell that shit. 25, 10, 12, whatever it is.
This area here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, the problem, Marco, is that I think with the NY session, if we break that 95, it won't stop at 90. It will go further.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. That's true.
With those rejections we have and everything, with those contentions, it will be a heavy break.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you push to 510 and then reject again and come and break these lows, I don't think we'll stop even on the 80. We're going down.
Yeah.
Not going to stop. Best option is wait. I'm gonna have a cigarette. No FOMO.
Yeah, no FOMO.
I do like it.
Coach, after the trade, will you call it a day? Yes, CC, already. I already called it a day. I'm not gonna. I don't want to consider buys here. Especially from that 25 to the 2503. So I called that at my trading session. You know, the profits that I did yesterday, I'm not gonna give my profits back to the market on a day like this, trying to counter trend the 4 hour candle here. No, not really. Not really. This is a confirmation.
Sorry, I want to just say those sales last night were beautiful, exactly on point.
Yeah, man, and I missed those moves, bro.
Yeah, that was really great.
Yeah, I missed those moves.
Look at that, man.
Yeah. This is a confirmation support. This high, if this is a fake out from that zone, this high will be respected, and that was pretty much it for the push. We're gonna come back to retest this low. If I wasn't buys from anywhere in here, that's where I'll be cashing out my trade. And I'll be done with it. Maybe like 20 pips, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, 30 pips is enough. This is where the reaction can happen. This area here is a lot of contention. And this can easily end as a fake support candle confirmation. What do I mean by that? The price is gonna respect the high and break the low and close below the key level again. And the sells will continue playing a little bit more. But, you know, it is what it is. My day is done. I'm not going to force it anymore. You want to know something here, if it's going to push or drop? Yeah, man. Leaving the low of this candle here, the 2501.86. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If that candle pull back and break the high of that candle, then you have a kind of momentum and you can trade to the upside at the break of this candle high. If not, this was a fake out. This was a deep pullback to the 2503, and then price is gonna continue pushing. Yep. You say.
Kerwin.
Yep.
You don't think we can hit the 30 today, or
the 2530?
Yeah, I knew it was higher. That's kind of like where I
happen.
was. That's what I've been looking at.
Yeah, it can happen. All you need to find is that momentum. Yeah. We're gonna have another pullback to that 25, in my opinion. And easy to say that this can easily end as a fake out. But for me, planning for that 2530, I still need the current 4 hour candle to close on healthy bullish. Or another fake out from this area here, and then price closing back above this area here. Like price going here, create a fake out, close back above, and retest one more time this area here. Yeah. At that point, yeah, that can happen.
Yeah. I mean, this was kind of what I was anticipating.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking maybe a more deeper pullback, like the 90.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't even get to hop on because I'm at car maintenance right now.
Oh, okay.
So I was walking away right when I was like, "Fuck, I missed the fucking buy."
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I was anticipating like more of a fake out for the news.
Yeah. If I had like the option to continue trading today, I'll be looking for another confirmation resistance, a close below this area here, and look for sells. Yeah. Looking for buys in this area here is, it can be tricky, it can be painful.
Yeah, well, the buy opportunity missed. I mean, buying it right here is just stupid. Like you had to buy like 95, 96 area.
Yeah.
This is too high now.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, Manfred. How are you? It looks so high. Yeah.
But we still have more news coming out too. What?
A lot.
In an hour, I think.
Yeah,
Or
9 yeah, 9:40. 9:45. 9:45. 15 seconds. You see, it's annoying. Price is not having it yet. Drop, drop, drop. Another retest of that low. I don't see, in total honesty, big boys buying gold here, though. It's tricky to say, but price action tell the story when the big boys are already in. How? Price creates support, confirmation support, and price deliver. Now, this candle here is about to close. Can easily be a fake resistant candle. How? Because the 50-minute candle is closing really nice and strong. Meaning that if you really want to believe that your move is to the upside, you can be breakout trader here. Yes, you're going to need to risk a lot. You're going to need to risk at least this low, because if you only risk the low of this candle here, you're not going to be able to survive. You're going to need to risk a little bit more in there as a breakout trader from there. And let me tell you, this is no man's land for me to plan buys. Yeah. If this is a valid resistance, a new candle is gonna retest a little bit that yellow line, break the low, close below the kilo, and you have the confirmation resistance to continue selling gold. But it is what it is, my chillers. That flash PMI day is so fishy always. Yes, correcto. Correcto. Be happy. I know for a fact someone is already in a trade right here with FOMO. They bought this area here with FOMO, not waiting for enough information. Now they're in a little bit dragged down, and they're gonna start panicking in a little bit, because in the next 1 minute that candle is gonna go to retest the confirmation support low, close below the kilo. They're gonna be in a deep drag down of like 60 pips to the downside with FOMO. This is what most people do with FOMO. You know, had the stop loss there. Oh, price is going to retest my entry. I'm not gonna close my position. I'm gonna move it to the nearest low. Oh, price is not respecting that low. I'm gonna move it here. Oh, price is not respecting that area. Before the day end, they're gonna be in this much.
Something no, you like add
this
more
for something that was a 20 pip trade. Yeah,
you add more in buys.
If it goes up, if it goes up to my entry, I will close. I will never do
I will never do it again. Yes. Yeah. Shit. But that's the mentality. That's the average trading mentality, though, because we don't want to be we don't want to accept that we're wrong. And you're saying, oh no, you're not gonna stop me out there. Fuck it. You know, it's not a losing trade unless I close, right? So I'm gonna move my stop loss a little bit lower. Oh, fuck. Price is going more. No, don't worry. I'm gonna add another one, right? I'm gonna go long again, and I'm gonna risk this much. Oh, I got stopped down this one. Then I'm gonna buy again. I'm gonna buy again. And you're like, fuck, destroying the fucking setup. It's crazy shit. So it is what it is. But you need to learn, right? Use my experience as your to speed up the process on your learning curve. You're gonna learn a lot, you know, faster than just going on your own. Let me tell you, because I paid the price to be able to know this. I paid the price already. Hours and hours of backtesting, days, years of trading the same thing, the same instrument. I haven't been touching GA or EJ or any other pair than gold for ages. So use my experience to your advantage. You know, you're here because you want to learn. No, not because you want to continue committing the same mistakes. So yeah.
Yeah, and I also would add too, it's too early to just to keep pumping.
Yeah,
It's,
I think so.
like that's just too crazy to think we're just gonna keep going up right now when there's so much more time.
Yeah, we have a lot of confluence in the market for gold. You know, what happened with the news actually?
They're the same.
So yeah, same. Now, you heard what happened yesterday? They revised the numbers. Apparently, almost a million jobs disappear from the numbers they released on the previous employment decision. What happened? You know, those are the things that as a trader you need to say, man, this shit is heavy manipulated for real.
Oh, yeah.
And why? How the fuck they're gonna say that previously they came with a 2 million jobs created, whatever, and all of a sudden now they revised the number. The numbers were bad, like a 820 something thousand people. And it's crazy shit. It's like, fuck, man, what's going on? You know, why these people are like giving you ideas that in reality is fake news. But you cannot fight with them against them. They're the big boys, and they're gonna do whatever the fuck they want to do what they have to do with the economy, because that's what Powell need, you know, to lower the rates.
You need to write them a mean letter.
It's crazy stuff, bro.
Tell them they owe you a trading account.
It's crazy. That's the 25 right there. This may be pretty much it for that drop then. You say, and now the high of this candle need to be respected.
4 hour is no man's land.
Yeah.
We can go down, then we can go back up.
Yeah. This guy is not gonna pull back at all. Don't give me that shit.
Pull back, man.
Bro. Don't give me that shit aptitude, man. Yeah. Because this reaction, it's all right. You know, that reaction from the kilo can make it to the 25.05. But if this kind of pull back a little, don't need to pull back that much. 30 seconds left for that candle to do entire wick fill there. If the move to the downside is the correct one, then this candle is gonna do a wick fill to the downside. But man, it's gonna be nasty here. Trading at that 25 again. We need to understand the kilo itself is a pain in the ass. It's a flat, heavy ass flat number. This shit can create easy like 60 pip range with no remorse. Like price closing below that kilo again can go to the 25.03 and reject. Price can go to the 25.97 and reject. So can easily, this kilo having a body of the candle here, if the momentum is not there, just because the round number, that shit can give you the same thing that happened on the 30, 33 or 27. Wait. Yeah. Give me 1 second. I think lo están regañando. And have you there for a long period of time. Look at that, Juan. He's testing you to take that sell, bro. The confirmation resistant low.
No.
Faltan
10 minutos.
There's 11 guy.
A ver.
11.
Yeah.
Well, 100 pip range.
Yeah. Like nothing, right? Yeah. Give me 1 sec. What is it saying though?
11, traduce 11.
It's showing signals, probably.
Look. I close my terminal, but shit. Let's paper trade this. Oh, fuck. It's 20 plus pips. No, thank you.
Y además quedan 10 minutos para el cierre.
And that kilo, there is no man's land, so fuck.
Well, not even just that. We're pretty much between 25.05 and 95. That's the Ranger in, which is 100 pips.
Yeah. But price, in my opinion, right? Price releasing that little reaction there should be able to deliver heavy volume. But surviving with something like this is dangerous. Surviving something like this, too much stop loss. Nah. Let the buyers though. Let the buyers show up, and you can force buys in here. Yeah. If not, not really.
You see? Y tú me tentaste a coger esa.
No. Paper trade. Paper trade.
Molestando, Kerwin, molestando.
No.
Good margin buys?
No, this kilo. No, nobody. I don't know. No. Because if it's not selling, it's buys, right?
It's
Exactly.
No, not really. Not really.
It's either up or down, right? It's 50-50.
Yeah. That's
right now, the way that 4 hour looks, we better wait for the closure.
Yeah.
Because it looks like nothing. 4 hours just
Doji.
playing around,
Yeah, messing around.
Yeah.
Shit.
Did you take it, Juan? Don't tell me you take it.
No.
Looking
What's going on here, man?
Cristian está en Armalaca.
Malaga.
Es Cristian el de Argentina. ¿Qué
Sí,
haces,
no,
che?
soy yo.
Tuvo una llamada de Milei. Milei lo llamó a Cristian.
Así que bueno, nos vamos a ir a... Me estoy yendo a la
Le dijo, vende y compra oro al mismo tiempo.
Ajá. Déjame ver si voy a mute al Cristian, que es de verdad. Cristian. ¿Quién es?
Argentina, isn't it?
Argentinian.
Yeah. He's watching
Argentina,
Netflix or something. Huh?
Yeah, you think so?
Fui yo.
Estamos jodiéndote, boludo. Pensamos que te estaba regañando la mujer, Cristian. Esto.
No pasa nada. Justo me llega este mensaje ahí, pero vos podés creer.
Está bien, brother, está bien. No hay problema.
Christian looks like a Diego Maradona.
All right, yeah. You know that,
Yeah.
I didn't realize that, but for real, bro. ¿Eres familia de Maradona, Cristian?
No, nada que ver. No estaría haciendo trading en este momento.
Estuviera viviendo la buena vida.
Olvídate.
Ay. Oh. Sí, man. Oh my goodness. Marco, look what price is doing here, Marco. What the fuck is going on, man?
It's nothing.
Reaction
No,
is the
stay
candle
away.
respecting the reaction candle high. What the hell is going on, man?
These
Just nasty
100
playing.
levels, Kevin, is like a magnet. They don't let the price do the decent move. You know?
Yeah.
After
That's right.
110 price point, I mean, for example, above 25.10 or below that 24.90, the price will be clean.
Do you want me to open my terminal, mate, and see how the spread is looking here? To go short below this candle here.
It's normal.
Morning, Kerwin.
Morning, parcero. Like risking 15 pips, or rather risk like the actual 25.01 and something like this, for example. I mean, the first batch can go to this area here to the key level, to the exact key level, to the 95. 95 is right there. That can be the first batch of orders for the new 4-hour candle. Dígame, parcero.
Oh, I wanted to see that move.
Oh, to the downside as well?
Yes.
Eso ya me preocupa. That's a little bit worried for me. If you're gonna put money at risk on this paper trade.
No. I'm ready
okay.
for the confirmation, bro.
Yeah. It's just that I like the way that this candle here created that pullback, and yet price is looking for that key level again. So price closing below the key level or breaking this candle here makes this reaction an invalid reaction. So then you're gonna have volume. What is the nearest candle high that you have around, for the push to happen? Something that you can use as a stop loss, the high of this candle. So that can be easy trade though. Like easy money, I'll say like toward this area here. That can be 22 pips at the break of that low. And if the 1 minute candle, whatever candle close, that key level there can be your stop loss, you know. But to survive anything here can be this one.
Pero ahí ya no sería interesante el riesgo-beneficio.
No, por eso es que no me gusta la idea de venderlo ahí. Prefiero el cierre como tal, el pullback y hacer el trade como tiene que ser. Buscar este trade. Like look for that beautiful trade.
Pero es que ese 500 nunca lo consigue cerrar debajo, es complicado.
No, por eso mismo. Por eso es que te digo, like, si lo quisiera vender, si era un cierre debajo de ese 25, de ese 500. Si lo hace, se va a ir a la mierda. Te va a dar 100 pips más hacia abajo. Pues es la naturaleza del kilo. Todavía la resistencia se está respetando hasta ahora. The confirmation resistance here is being respected. Same thing that happened on this high over here. Now price is respecting that confirmation resistance. So that gives you the idea that at this point, the maximum push for a new 4-hour candle, if we don't get the close below this area, we don't release that volume last minute, then the maximum push is that high. And from there, you can still plan sells though. I don't want to change my bias for buys. I'm sorry that I'm not giving you that idea to buy gold at this specific area, even though you can say, well, this is a support curve and it's a 25 flat. So this 25 needs to give me my 25.50, 25.30, 25.40. I don't have that information. All I know is that this 4-hour candle now is closing like a nothing candle in total honesty. So anything can happen. The price can retest the opening of that 4-hour candle before delivering. So being a breakout trader in the first 5 minutes of the 4-hour candle, you need to have heavy bearish pressure like the one that this candle is creating. Why do I know that the bearish pressure is there? Is because that candle didn't create a top wick after this reaction happened, right? This is the opening of the 4-hour, right? It's fishy though. Look, once that candle leaves, the high of this candle is your stop. But don't take it. I mean, just paper trade. Don't get FOMO. I don't want to open my terminal. And, I'm just gonna let it do his thing. Fuck it. We can try something easier tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything.
No,
just waiting, man.
500 es muy duro. 500.
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't wanna
not looking good.
You don't wanna deal with the key level, deal with the rejection that you have from the left-hand side, from this one right here. Once price relate that rejection, the key level is not gonna be respected, and then price is going downtown. Yeah. Once price enter here, you're stop loss. Wherever. The high of the candle that created, that's 23, but the key level, the high of this candle here. The 25.01. That can be your stop. And that can be a quick move. Like 20 pips, easy. In no time, in 1 minute. Boom, 20. Secure something or don't secure anything, but leave the stop loss there if you want to survive any other pullback. Use the key level as your contention zone. Paper trade this. Look, you have literally like 48 seconds for this trade to break the low. 1, 2, 3. The trade is about to get in. Let's see. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. You still have the next 30-second candle there. Let's see. Let's paper trade this shit.
Cada vez la H4 me da menos información.
De la H4.
La anterior, cero información. Esta, respetando ese 500, ni vender ni comprar.
Si lo vendieras impulsivo, te va a dar como 50 debajo de aquí. Venderlo impulsivo. Claro, porque esta es una resistencia, es una vela que recogió liquidez aparentemente. So, si ellos liberan esa liquidez, se va a ir a la mierda como 50 pips más.
Okay.
Y la que puede hacer el trabajo sucio es esta. Because this candle here can be the one to give you the entry. You want to survive with the 25.01 with this kind of stop loss there. And this can be your confirmation resistance. And that can be your candle that close below the kilo. So once price this candle create the bearish close, all you need to do is be breakout trader below the low of this candle. Now, if that candle go in one shot in the next 29 seconds, let's say, break that low and go in one shot toward this area here, you just miss the move. That's the problem here. But other than that, once that candle close below the key level, it's a confirmation resistance, it's closing below the key level. Price already It's trading below that support confirmation low. So what else do you need in price action? You don't need anything else other than pull the trigger at this specific area here. Impulse it. If that, wait for that candle closing. And let's see. I don't know how do you guys see the spread? The spread is okay?
Yeah, 1.2. Normal.
Okay.
1.2.
Normal.
Yeah. If that's the case,
Yeah,
that's
normal,
all right.
man.
They're gonna increase the spread when price is coming toward this area here. That's where the spread can get increased. But in here, if the spread is okay, should be fine. Let's see. This is gonna be an A+ setup. If this candle close bearish and the next candle pull back a little bit and break that low. Yeah.
Let's do it.
And then we buy the 90.
Let's do it. And then you buy the 24.90. That's the area that Marco wants to buy. Look, the paper trade is in, let's say. That entry is there. The stop loss at 25.01. What do you need now? This candle break again, it's on low and go a little bit deeper. Next candle pulling back to the 25 yellow line. And that was it. Yeah. This candle needs to close below the kilo. And not only that, this candle needs to flush now. In the last minute. Yeah, need to flush a little bit more. You can flush a little bit more. So you don't have to deal with that 24.98.5. Just paper trade this, don't whatever. If you're gonna risk something, risk a small. But it's a high probability trade. Once this candle close bearish, man, it's gone. So if this trade don't pay out, then it is what it
call
is.
it a day.
Yeah. Look, here comes the flush. A la 1, a la 2, a la 3. Speaking Urdu. Who was speaking Urdu? Yeah. Here comes the flush. A la 1, a la 2, a la 3. Here comes. Bearish close below the kilo. Maximum pullback yellow line or this candle high. Yeah. Many pieces, 18 pips. Yeah. That key level right there. The key level. Where is the key level? The key level is right there. That's the key level. A lot of you guys are quiet. That means that you guys are already in, huh?
Buys and sells, baby.
Yo lo tomé.
No, estoy esperando.
Yep.
No, bro. I feel sleepy. That's why.
Okay.
Estoy
How many
esperando.
No
pips
action.
we have?
I'm waiting. Just
I'm about
wanna
to make
see.
30% today.
14
Holy.
pips.
Who make 30%?
What the fuck, bro?
Come
You
on.
kill it, bro.
That was good.
Oh, come on.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Waiting for the pullback, man. Damn.
Yeah. This
The
20.
stop loss is 20 pips.
Yeah.
I guess so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right
Oh,
now,
you took it. Fuck.
this whole range, not even
Eso
worth
es lo que
it.
yo estaba esperando.
This
Fake
range,
horrible.
they're gonna induce you and then fuck you and then induce you and fuck you.
And fuck you over and over again.
Pretty
You
much.
just gotta do the opposite of what you're thinking.
Fuck you,
Man, you guys are gonna induce me to open my terminal. Fuck, man.
Don't open it, bro. Leave it.
Huh?
NYSC. Wait for the
Espérate
last
las
10 minutes
noticias.
before NYSC.
Oh, but
Something gonna
there's
happen
news there.
probably.
There's
Yeah.
news.
Yeah, there's
there.
news. Yeah.
940. 940. More news
Really?
coming.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. We
That's
have to
good.
sleep then.
That's our buy time. PMI is buy time.
Well, let's go to
Bye
bed,
time.
bro.
Yeah, that can be the option.
Oh man, long day.
Yeah.
Breaking news, man.
Fuck.
It started this morning because
creo.
The
Esa puta me
damage is
sacó.
done. Fucking
Come
hell, the
on.
damage is done.
Esa puta me sacó.
That can, man. Holy fuck.
Come on.
Don't tell me you're gonna flush now, perra. Holy moly macaroni. Don't do it, perra. This hurts a lot. Same, I got stopped out earlier here. This hurts a lot. Like getting stopped out and then this thing breaking that low again. In the last 2 minutes.
Qué perra.
Qué perra que es esta puta. Sorry por la palabra, pero qué perra que es. Mira lo que hace en ese pullback al retest al confirmation resistance high, man. But how the fuck are you gonna risk 30 pips in here to get 20 or 30? What in the world?
I want to load that 5
Reza,
minute. Yeah.
the purge is coming, bro. Purge is coming. That shit is gonna flush.
I'm okay to miss that.
Yeah, no, fuck yeah. Wow. It's insane, man. That kind is not stopping there for sure. She still have 1 minute and 32 seconds. It kind of have the option to close below this little zone in here. It's nasty behavior, bro, for real. So Kerwin will be a cup of coffee signal today. Well, I can go to make my cup of coffee now, for real. Yep. I can make my cup of coffee. Word sounds familiar in my head. Delete top loss and more leverage. Yeah. Yeah.
What's stop loss?
Nah, what is a stop loss? That meme from the FTX girl. You remember that girl? Like yeah, we sometimes stop loss. She's funny. She's funny.
Is she free or she got lucky?
I think she got
She's good. It's
she's
the other
free,
guy.
yeah.
He's fucked.
The guy is paying. I think he's like 10 or 15 years in prison.
That guy is idiot. He could have just go in
But once
in
he get
Ireland,
out, he's fucking rich. So
Yeah, but 15 years. He could have go to Brazil or somewhere like that, change identity, and live a life.
Yeah.
With all those money.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true.
Well, I mean, where he really fucked up was using people's monies to live off of. Like, that's where he really fucked up.
Yeah. Yeah. Stop
All
loss.
that shitty ping pong.
Yeah. Antonio says no stop loss. No stop loss. Be happy.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, between 05 and 95, it's just gonna fucking go bouncy.
Yeah.
And we have the news and NYSC, so it's just gotta wait.
Yeah.
But I would say buying that 90 would be a good idea.
Yeah.
90 to the 30.
I don't know. I think like Reza says, once price close below that 95, I mean, you can try the average daily range, like buying the 300 mark, the 300 mark. You can try to buy that 300 mark. That can be another option. But man, because buys on gold always pay. Like if you don't care about being in 50 or 100 pips in drag down, it can be done. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see this candle. Is this in that 25 again? Yeah. Wow. This
25
ranging
is really a magnet, you see.
It's got shit range, yeah.
It's crazy.
La noticia va a hacer el trabajo sucio y lo va a limpiar, parece.
Yeah.
Algo tiene que pasar para que se deje ese rango detrás. Llevo 10 horas esperando entre Yaku, no he tomado ni uno, ni para arriba ni para abajo, así que sigo esperando.
What happened here is that if the bullish pressure was there, price is not supposed to be trading in this low. If the bullish pressure was there, price will be trading at the 25.10 easily, 25.13 with the news. And after that heavy push, why is hanging in this less? Because they're gonna induce people to buy and they're gonna flush this shit at any given point. So it's time for me to get my cup of coffee, bro. For real. This shit is gonna get flushed. I don't wanna open my terminal. I don't wanna do anything like to force something here. The move is there, especially if price is not closing back on that 25 flat. Anything that push is gonna be a push to either the 2105.50, 2501.50 to the confirmation resistance or to the kilo. like what this candle did, pulling back to that key level, going for that support low, breaking the support low. But since the price is ranging, a new 50-minute candle can push all the way up to the 25.01 again. And you're gonna get destroyed here, risking 15, 20 pips here and there.
Una pregunta, Kerwin.
Yeah. Dime. Yo pensé que era Cristian, pero es Dean el que tiene el mic. Ajá.
Yo nunca tengo encendido el micro, sí. Es algo, tiene que ser muy...
Sí.
Que me lo haya dejado puesto en medio de la cocina, pero no. ¿Qué te iba a decir? ¿Dónde tenemos que cerrar el diario? Debajo del 500 ese para seguir vendiéndolo mañana.
El diario debería cerrar hoy debajo del 90.
90, ¿te gustaría
Sí.
dejándose las mechas detrás?
Dejando las mechas detrás, sí. Quisiera
Ok.
tener como que unas 4 horas bien, así como lo decía en el Daily Outlook.
Sí,
Tener
sí, sí,
unas
sí.
4 horas debajo de esta zona y mañana vender esa cosa como cosa loca para el 24.80, el 24.65.
Ok.
Ya, ya.
Ok, vale, gracias.
Porque, sí, porque cualquier cosa que te dé aquí debajo del 500, todo pullback va a ser el 25 y de ahí buscas 350 pips hacia abajo. So, de 25 mañana, el push to the 25, then you hold positions for sales from the 25 all the way to the 24.65 hasta esa zona. Mira lo que está haciendo. Ahí se llevó otra vez ya ese soporte, pero no le gusta tradear hacia abajo. Está bien cagada. So, en cualquier momento te da este hit, se vuelve a meter. Está bien culera.
Pero
Está
cada,
like,
cada
no le
que
gusta.
quiebra, se devuelve.
No le gusta. Una vez que tenga el momentum, solo va a ser un pullback de 1 minuto y empieza los otros minutos like drop, 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 drop. But that's how you're going to spot the momentum in the market. The price is going to push a little in the 1 minute, a second 1 minute break, and it's gone. So it's gone. So it's gone. So it's not going to stop so easily. But when it's not having it, whatever, for more than you force it, it's not going to happen. It's good shit.
Unos putos fake up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see, it's closing below the kilo. This candle, same. Little to no push to the body of this candle here, to the opening of this candle here. If the momentum is valid, this is maximum push. Believe me, this is the price action that I trade on a daily basis. Push to that body, weak fill first 1 minute, and boom, to the downside. But it is what it is. Give us a cup of coffee so she can drop coach. Yeah, for real, gonna go for my cup of coffee. I'll be back, guys. For real.
Ves por el café. Te iba a preguntar una cosa, pero ves por el café.
Dime.
No, ves por el café. Ves.
Ok, ¿prefieres darle la venta a esta mierda? No, dale, vende esa mierda y que se joda el mundo entero, bro. Fuck it.
Ahí se va a derretir.
I'll be back, guys.
Que se joda el mundo
Yeah, my
entero.
camera is on. So yeah, you guys already know. Yeah, I'll be back.
God. Gol.
Está feo, Juan. Está bastante feo.
Fuck you, God. Yeah.
Pero será simple, Juan. Cuando tengamos el cierre de H4 debajo de ese 500, no va a parar de dar ventas en todas las sesiones, ¿sabes?
Se va a derretir esa vaina. Sí, pero ese nivel está heavy de quebrar.
Sí, y ese soporte en H4, mira cómo lo sigue respetando. A la izquierda hay dos soportes antiguos y lo está respetando. Si no, yo lo hubiese vendido ahí por H4. El SL no era muy grande, pero como respeto el 500 y los soportes, tengo que seguir esperando 4 horas más.
¿Y ayer no tomaste nada?
Sí,
lo
sí,
de
ayer
Martín.
sí, me sacó en Londres, tuve 2 SL y luego en el pre-New York lo compré en el 0.1, en el 25.02 hasta el 11, el 11 sí. Lo compré ahí y tomé 4 trades y quedé en positivo porque estaba muy feo, era el precio, subía, bajaba.
No, igual que ahora.
Sí. Sí, porque H4 no me da confirmación ni nada, simplemente son impulsivas, ¿sabes? Impulsivas y tomar impulsivas no es que me sienta muy cómodo tomando impulsivas. Cuando tengo una confirmación de H4 me da igual, me voy y lo dejo ahí, que trabaje esos 4 horas, pero por impulsiva
Okay.
Solo buscas el que te lleve el precio al sitio, pero a veces no te lleva. A veces te va en contra.
Vamos a platicar y ahí va la perra para abajo, como una cosa loca. ¿Cómo le encanta a ella la tacita de café por la mañana? Fíjate, puta, cómo manipulan el precio estos
Hija
hijos de
de
la puta.
puta.
Sí,
Ay, Dios.
sí manipulan el precio estas perras. La la
Hija de
se
puta.
va a
No
derretir.
jodas.
No mames.
Es que la noticia tiene que dar ese volumen que buscaba ahí abajo el precio. Era
Sí, sí.
Es
Y
que
si
me
se va hasta el
saca esa
83 esta
puta.
mierda, man. ¿Qué
Ah,
pedo? ¿Nos perdimos el movimiento o qué?
volver a hacer un pull buy por ahí.
y no solo
¿Tú
me
qué?
lo perdí, sino que me sacó antes de en pérdidas.
It's too much delay in volume, bro. For real. Like, too much. Pérdidas, pérdidas.
Yo sigo break-even esperando y no veo ni mierda.
Yeah. Yeah. Sí, no. No, I'm not willing to put more risk on this shit. No. I'll wait tomorrow. Tomorrow should be fine.
Mañana habla, ¿no? El loco este.
Powell.
Mm.
Powell's gonna be here tomorrow. Oh, Antonio is holding those cells. Okay.
Nice.
La 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 la. 20. Usually the last 10 minutes prior NYSE, the volume kicks in the same direction of the NYSE volume. So meaning that you have right now this kind of closing little, well, that's right there. It's technically at the same support zone, the body of the candle here. Yeah, well, it closed below. Yes, closed below those previous bodies. So makes a lot of sense that the continuation still makes sense. How? Little pullback to none, weak fill first 1 minute, and the continuation should be there. The momentum can be there. I don't want you guys to take another loss because you want to be breakout trader with FOMO, but this thing breaks. This is what makes sense. Overall, you're trading at the 50 pips below the London low. So that's the only problem here. But if the momentum is there, this is pretty much it. That's the flush. Yeah.
Bajo las noticias, se va a retir como
Sí.
mantequilla.
Pero las noticias es a las y ¿qué? A las y
No,
45.
Que si se come el bajo de las noticias esas se va a derretir.
Oh, yeah. Releasing the volume from the news candle low, that's gonna be more information. But the body of the candle close below those bodies, so it makes sense that you're gonna have the continuation. Yeah. But imagine that freaking trade that you took, Juan, it's a shame how getting stopped out there.
Look at that, man.
Yeah, man.
Fuck, bro. Fucking H4 no cerró debajo de ese 500.
Yeah. And that's where the volume kicks in. Imagine
Man,
how many pips
we
are you
missed
there?
it.
No, estoy súper.
Freaking bastards. Look at the timing, man. Don't tell me you're gonna
Bro.
induce me to take a buy. Don't tell me that.
They induce you to take a buy.
They want to, but I'm not gonna fall
Here
for
at
it.
the 90, right? You wanted to buy the 90, 91, whatever.
I'm gonna close this shit, man. I'm gonna come tomorrow. This is bullshit.
For real, bro.
Pissed off,
But
man.
at least, you know what? Yes, you guys stopped out. We got stopped out on the cells. Wanted to get those cells. And that's all right. It's part of the process. You control your emotions, close your terminal. Fuck it. You miss the move, you miss the move. Who cares? But you did good in the sense that you're not changing bias just because two healthy bullish candles there. You prevented from your ass. Remember that trade, right? Whoever is a buyer, I'm telling you this because I've done that shit before. Like holding, back in 2016, back in 2017, back in 2018, I was doing the same shit. Like instead of me looking for a continuation, Let me find that shit that I drew here on the for a bearish for a bullish move. A lot of people will jump on it. Let me see if I can find it. Where is that shit? You know, and price is not gonna stop you. Yeah, like oh no, I'm not gonna let this thing stop me out. I'm gonna let something like this, for example. And this, I'm telling you this, 90% of people are doing this shit. We know, we know a lot of these guys who buy for 10 pips or 20 pips, they're risking 100 pips. And if price goes there, don't matter. They kind of move the stop loss a little bit more. I'm not getting stopped out unless price go to 500 pips. And I'm gonna blow my account in one day because I am so cocky, arrogant, and shit that I cannot accept to take a loss really early, like something like this, for example, right? But you learn on a daily basis. Yes, the delay in volume is humongous. Don't make sense. In reality, this thing don't make sense at all. Why the heavy delay in volume? But market is probabilities. We tried the sales that made sense. They didn't play out. That's part of the process. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. It is what it is, my children. Also, some of you guys were in sales apart from Antonio. Okay. Oh, ¿tú también?
Sí, yo
también.
Oh, mierda.
Oh.
Y entonces,
A mí
¿qué
me pasó
pedo?
parecido a Juan.
Where is the signal, then?
Where's the signal?
Yo me tomé un...
Entonces, si Kerwin la marcó.
Yo me tomé un
La
clean
marcó.
Eastwood ahí, agarré 30 pips rapidito y cerré.
De la madrugada y entonces me dejaron aquí como
No,
en el
pues.
velorio a mí bebiendo café nada más.
Que
Todos
Cogí
nos
el
dejaron, a
98.60.
todos.
Hijo de la madrugada.
Ahí la marcaste tú.
Sí,
98.60.
tenía sentido, man. Pero
Sí,
es
la
annoying
marcó,
que el
pero
precio se demore tanto esa mierda. Pero ves, you see that the difference when the volume kicks in, then prices just got shit there. The pullback. What is the pullback? First 1 minute, that candle there, that was the pullback. Breaking the low, this is your stop loss. Yes, humongous stop loss because you're trading at the London low. Price releasing the volume, I think was Juan. Who was the one that was saying or
Yo.
Fabián?
Yo, que cuando se comiera ese bajo de las
De
noticias.
las
se iba a
noticias,
derretir.
they do the flush. And not only that now, if you're planning long term, whatever, yeah, you can easily move the stop loss there and let that price go. But, you know, it is what it is. It was really entertaining. Take care, Christina. Did you manage to get in, Christina?
¿Dónde tenía el stop loss Jennifer que no la sacó? Que dijo que le había
No,
pasado
ella
lo
la
mismo que a
sacó,
mí.
pero le dio otra entrada, creo.
No,
Ah,
sí.
reentró.
Es que cuando Juan entró, yo puse el stop loss arriba, la verdad, en la confirmación de
resistencia.
la resistencia y no alcanzó.
Yo lo tenía en el cuerpo, claro.
Ajá,
Sí.
entonces a mí no me alcanzó a sacar. Pero luego cuando bajó un poquito más, yo me puse break even y esa sí me cerró. Todavía tenía una bala.
Y le disparaste hasta que se
Y le
murió.
disparé.
Una ametralladora le metió.
Me gusta eso. Me gusta. Estamos a 4 minutos de NYSE. 4 minutos.
Voy a esperar 3 horas y media. Que le follen.
Otras 3.
Otras 3 horas hasta la 1 de la tarde.
Sí, eso es lo que me toca. No puedo hacer nada. Es lo que hay, ¿sabes? El otro día ayer empecé a tomar impulsivas y ese precio se vuelve. No me siento cómodo trabajando con impulsivas porque el precio sube, baja, sube, baja. Pero nada, cuando me confirma ahí lo tomaré. Que esta H4 dejando todo el rango detrás, en el cierre de Londres puede ser muy bueno que delibere 100 pips allá abajo.
Ajá. Ven aquí.
Ayer me reía cuando subiste la foto del gato, el gato trader.
Sí. Aquí está mirándome el hijo de puta.
Ahora se sabe las entradas.
Sí, se pone ahí en una silla y se queda mirándome el hijo de puta como que él ha de decir, este hijo de puta está loco hablando él solo, como él no escucha más nadie aquí. He's probably thinking, oh, this motherfucker is crazy, he's talking to himself. Y me mira así, he's like,
Está recibiendo la información también.
Ajá, está aprendiendo. Imagina estos hijueputas supieran hablar. Como ellos de noche nunca duermen, estuviera trabajando haciendo trading a medianoche aquí.
En Londres.
En Londres, tengo 3. Pudiera poner a uno en Asia, otro en
cada
Londres y
sesión,
otro
ajá.
en New York.
At bot.
Ajá. Like the 3 cats, I can easily program, teach those cats, to trade Asian session, London and New York, pre-New York, and not do the heavy lifting for New York.
Pero tiene como el hábito, ¿no? De que tú estás ahí y le está ahí, ¿sí o no? Claro.
Yeah.
Él dirá, este está aquí y yo estoy aquí.
Sí, algo tiene ese culero, algo tiene.
Los animales son muy listos.
Uh-huh. Yeah, do you think the way price is developing, we can see 24.88? We're gonna need pullbacks, At this point, it's hard because the NYSE session is coming in 1 more minute. And then we have news. This can be the reaction. Like right now, for example, price can go a little bit deeper. Complete the 100 pips from the London 4 hours already done. So Market's probably buying. That's why Market wanted to buy this area here. That's the 4-hour low from London. Price, well, still an option to have a little fake out here to the 24.90 flat. Yeah, to the exact number, 24.90.5. That can be the option.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
100 pips below the London low. There's a lot of confluence here. Like
Full margin buys.
Yeah, the little zone in here, that was the target, right? That's why the target makes sense to that 91. Doesn't mean that price is not gonna drop much more than that, right? But what you need here is this 4-hour candle to squeeze a little bit to the 97 to retest the previous breakout zone in this area here to the 98. And from this area here, 1 second, let me move this thing toward this area here. And we don't need that high over there anymore. So this can be the squeeze for the 4-hour candle if we're gonna have any, and then deliver still to the downside with the news. But here comes the NYSE session. Look, it's dangerous. It's dangerous for real. At this point, you don't need to be forcing something when price is near to that key low. If not, range inside the range, this is the option. The price is gonna go there. It's gonna drop a little bit more. It's gonna continue dropping. The 88 is a good target here. And this is just because the setup, not because of anything else, because you have the 90 there. So, fuck it. Can be dangerous. But that's, when price action is behaving, this is the way that price action behaves. Man, I'm gonna delete this shit so Marco can concentrate.
No.
Okay.
I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting.
Yeah.
Vender ahí sería un suicidio para
mí. Suena como pegarse un tiro en la pata a uno mismo, pegárselo en el culo, mejor dicho.
Puede pagar, pero es un suicidio vender ahí.
Es un suicidio. Yeah. Acuérdate, like price. Shit. Yeah, she's gonna flush a little bit more.
Yeah.
If the pullback is valid,
is strong.
Yeah, if the pullback is valid, that shit is gonna break the low of the candle. It's gonna respect the high. Let me see. Yeah, she already retested that. So if price break this high, makes sense. I'm just gonna push, but no, the bearish pressure is heavy though. It's heavy bearish pressure here.
Look at that, man.
Yeah, aquí es en el trade que Juan está. This is the one that Juan took. The 92 probably. He's not gonna say anything, and better he don't say anything, so price can deliver to that 88, so he can close something there.
Let's go. Drop.
Yeah, Coco 7654 Go deliver it. Deliver. Little bit more. Maximum pullback. This area here. Drop. It's gonna go. Fucking hell.
Va a ir a rellenar la mecha de esa vela del día.
Yeah.
¿No?
Sometimes for discipline wise, for me, it's hard. When I see this move, I know what's going on and I know what's gonna happen, but for me, it's really hard not to take that trade, to be honest. Like not opening my terminal is believe me, because I deal with FOMO many times. But for me, fuck it, it is what it is. It is what it is.
Ah,
One.
man, my hands are itching as well, but I know that if I enter here, I'm just gonna get destroyed. So.
Yeah. Here comes the 80, the 85. 30 pips more. Still 17 seconds left for this candle to be a reaction or a continuation.
No,
Go.
ese bajo la está llamando.
Ese
bajo la está llamando.
Big time. That's the 90. That's the 85 right there.
Ahí ya rellenó
Okay,
la
I'll take a buy here now.
Continues going.
Holy.
Talking about
I'm in buy.
you think,
Okay,
oh, it's
bro.
not so much, it's buy time. No, that thing keeps going. Look at that.
¿Cómo?
Oh, Sebastián es vendiendo
Está
señales.
vendiendo señales.
Oh, I can breathe, Kerwin. Yeah, I sold that 94 with this stop
Oh,
loss.
shit. The
Yeah,
94
knew,
here.
I told you that below that 95, I will sell it. I sold it before the NYC and I've closed 90% now.
Man, man, I would love to. Is Dumbo streaming though?
Eso va para el 80 que se las pela.
Is Dumbo streaming though, or no?
24.75.
Echo, be careful. At least by 83.
This is the Dumbo setup, bro. For real.
Yeah.
¿Cuál 24.75?
Uh-huh. Nah, man, fuck. It's
John
crazy
todavía está
shit.
aguantándola.
¿Ah?
Ok,
No,
yo
te
no puedo
digo que
aguantar.
si Dumbo fuera, Dumbo hubiera comprado aquí y estuviera por 20 pips y está aguantando un drag down de los hijueputas, 200 pips en drag down ahí. This is the average trader mentality. This 90% of traders do this. Believe me.
Oh, fuck. Look at that, man.
Man, I don't know, man. Fuck.
No.
I'm about to get stopped out then. Damn it.
Oh, shit. Can you survive? No, yeah, you're not gonna be able to
Oh
survive.
shit, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out.
You're not gonna be able to survive this. No,
Oh,
no,
You came out, man. I was expecting the last 2 minutes at least give me some rejection.
Oh, Marco is-
The bearish pressure is too heavy.
Yeah, that's what
Marco,
was
you
like
bought it?
50-50. I hesitated, but it is what it is.
Oh, look at that.
50 pips in 1 minute.
So Antonio closed full. Right when Antonio closed full, prices started to deliver heavy volume. Huh. Now
Yeah,
I know.
I thought I was gonna reject 90, but so I didn't know if I could close it. But hey,
Oh, now I know.
200 pips, I'm not fucking mad at it.
Yeah. The one that is really quiet right now is Dean. Dean,
I bought.
did you finish with the car?
No.
You bought the 90, right?
No, I just bought right now.
Oh, you bought right now. Okay.
I bought the 84.77.
Pero si ya tenías 30%.
If you, yeah, exactly, man. If you already got 30% of your account
I think you're too
locked.
off.
Yeah, mate.
We're gonna ride it up now.
30% in the pocket. No, man, I'm not gonna buy it.
We're gonna ride it up now because no one's buying here.
No, nobody.
You're aggressive in buying in here. I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, at least the 90, I would think. But yeah, look, I'm up like 20 pips. There we go. I was thinking the same thing as Marco. I was like, ooh, and then it drove down even further.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but for example, now it's kind of the way that you can lock some profits in and let the rest run. If you don't secure anything right now, let's say, or in about 33 seconds, that candle is gonna retest its own low. It's gonna have you in drag down, and for the rest of the session, that candle can push to that 88, and from that 88 deliver a little bit more. I mean, it all depends on how much risk you're putting on that position. But this 88, 90, all these areas here can get retested and rejected. So yeah, we'll see. Look at the zone that you have here. In this area here, that high, the high of this candle here, for example, the high has a meaning. If price already broke the low of this area here, this is a retest to then deliver. You don't secure anything here or anything there, then you get back to drag down, and it's gonna be painful,
I would think we'll hit. Yeah, I think you're right. I'm gonna get some of this out.
I mean, no. It's up to you. I'm not telling you to close the entire position, but at least to keep an eye if you have a reaction from this 88, from the 90. I don't want you to miss the opportunity to hold a position for, let's say, 100 pips, 50 pips, 300 pips, whatever. You know, it's up to you. I'm just giving you the information that I collect from the chart. I'm not telling you this based off, you know, a random number that I invented. No, no, no. It's price action. This area here, for example, that's the area that can get rejected. You have a lot of things from the left-hand side, and you don't want to leave, you know, everything on the table, let's say, and being okay to hold a drag down that price is going to come back to your entry, is going to have you with less money, whatever, you know. Market is probabilities. The probability of price going down still exists, and the pullback still a big chance to have a pullback. But you have to understand that until price create the confirmation of support, everything that you trade impulsive from the downside, you're trading a pullback. You're not trading the trend of the market. And I don't want people get confused and overwhelmed because they're going to buy the low of something that you don't have information from. Say, oh, I'm going to buy this area here, gonna raise 20. Oh, I'm going to buy this area here. Oh, I'm going to raise 20. Oh, I'm going to buy this area here. I'm going to raise 20. Before you notice, you wasted 2-3 bullets there instead of you saying, hey, the momentum is to the downside. I'm going to risk 2-3 bullets to the downside. I don't pay out. It's part of the process. I don't care. But at least I'm trading the continuation. I'm not trying to be the hero of the day, right? But sometimes those reactions are clever and they pay, let's say 50 pips here and there. You secure 75, 90% of the position and be done and be happy with it. But don't let those profits on the table because it's annoying to see blues and all of a sudden back to your entry. Since the momentum is to the downside, you get annoyed and say, fuck, man, I'm going to get stopped out again. So I'm going to close the position. That's what I don't.
And then re-enter.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, no, I got out. It sucks because like as you were saying that, I don't have my magic keys, so I had to do it all manually.
Oh, shit.
And it was starting to drop. I was like, fuck, I lost some profits right there.
Yeah. But at least you're closing profits. It's gonna be a shame if you don't secure anything. You're back to, I don't know, if you enter here, let's say, you were in 40 pips in profits, now back to 10 pips, 12 pips, and soon you're gonna be in drag down. Like I said, market is probabilities. And when I see sell-off, instead of you buying this shit, you need to find an entry from the upside to force it. It's easier that way. Yeah.
No, I mean, it was a good attempt. Solid.
Yeah.
Me and Marco had the same idea. I just knew, I had a feeling because this always happens. Like, okay, this looks good, right? And then it goes down a little further to trick more people in, and then it just reverses. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna wait, and then I bought that. I bought it.
Look, this area here, that's your daily high. This area here currently, that's your daily low. A lot of fake outs can happen here. But until that fake out happens, until that confirmation support is there, you have no business trying to catch that knife with bare hands unless you're risking it small and your stop loss is clever. It makes sense. You're right. But yeah, from this area, for example, price was roughly, you know, in this area here, for example, price roughly delivered the 300. So I get it that you guys wants to force it from the downside because that's what makes sense. Price is gonna deliver 300, 325, meaning that if you're buying the 300 mark, you can have a stop loss extra like 20 pips in there and try to force it, right? Try to force it from there. But until then, it's gonna be painful because everything that you pull the trigger here for buys is painful. But always, don't believe me. Just mark 300 pips on a daily candle. Price go to the 300. The worst thing you can do as a trader is being breakout trader below the low of the candle with FOMO, thinking, oh yeah, you know what? Price is gonna continue delivering. So price is already 300, 325 pips. That low right there is 300. So you're gonna force it as a breakout trader. If you're gonna get entries, don't be breakout trader until the price pull back, until price create a structure in a key level, in a rejection zone, something like that. But being breakout trader here, no, if you had to put the risk back to the chart, the risk was on top of that 90, the 97, the 98, leaving that zone. Other than that, no. Everything that you started trading below this area here is very dangerous. Even below this area here, okay. Below the daily low, below the news candle low, high probability. They release that volume, yes. You want to survive, here's the high of that candle there. Maybe entering like here, risking the high of the candle there. Once price close, your stop loss is on this candle high. And from there, you can force it. You can continue force it. But the worst thing you can do is try to enter here as a breakout trader when price already delivered 325 or 300 pips at least. So be careful.
Yeah, I had a question.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask about this current trade that happened, so I took the trade right here.
Okay.
And after the candle closed as a bullish, I closed my 50%. My stop loss was 20 pips, and I just left my position to run to 24.90. But as I saw that these two bearish candle closures, resistance, confirmation, resistance, I was about to add the position, but I was too scared because the 95 was so close. So in that case, what is the best solution for adding the risk back? Because obviously, I was just scared only about the 95 key level.
If you are short, let's say below this candle.
Yes, after the
We
confirmation
started with
of
something like this.
Yeah.
Something like that, let's say,
Yeah.
right? Even probably below this candle low. That's kind of the okay. But entering here, if the candle close bearish, if you have another setup here, give me 1 second. Let me. Okay, yeah, thank you. If you have another setup here and you want to enter there, you don't need to risk. Let's say you're holding one standard, you're holding 50 cents. Let's talk about money, right? You take a trade in here.
Yes.
Yeah, here probably,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Let's say
After,
you close.
Just after the pullback happened, after the price already have created the wick to the upside and then started to breaking the low at that point. I didn't enter at the at the beginning, and price just pushing up. I waited for price to do pullback first, and then I entered at the break of the low.
Okay, let's say that you started there with 10 cents, 0.10.
Yeah, actually, there is a screenshot in the
That's
chat.
fine. That's fine. Yeah, I don't need to talk about, let's say, exact amount of money. It's just the number. You can take 10 cents, you can take $1, you can take $10, $20, 10 standard. Don't matter. It's the price. Let's say you close 0.5. You close 50%, right?
Yes.
So you're holding 5 cents in here. You want to enter there. This trade from this area here is already, let's say, $2 in profits, right? How much are you gonna risk in here? If you're gonna risk 20 pips in here, you're gonna risk maybe that's $2. If you're gonna close anything here, if you think that you from this area here you already secure 50, maybe in drag down, I don't know how did you manage, but let's say you're holding $1 in profits. If you're gonna add the risk at this area here, you're not gonna risk these $2, the same risk that you were putting on those 20 pips on that thing in there, right? What do you need to risk in here? You're gonna need to risk, instead of you risking $2, you're gonna risk $1, half of the position that you have from the upside. If you're holding 0.05 from the upside, now you're gonna add 0.02. And with that 0.02, the first thing you're gonna do is take care of this position on top. Take care of this trade, let's say. Take care of that trade. This position can go to waste with the pullback, but you can easily say, well, this was a break even. I'm covering this money with this last position. And at that point, you can, look for new targets. This position here is the one that you're gonna say, hey, we're hitting a 24.90. I'm gonna close this position and I'm gonna hold the previous position intact. I'm not gonna close anything. I'm gonna use my magic keys or my finger, whatever, and kill this position. Maybe that position from 0.02 give you $1 extra or 1.5. That's $1. And this position here, you're playing with house money. You're protecting the best position that you got in the market here to get the best squeeze possible. And you don't care of having a pullback, deep pullback, because this position here cover wherever earning this can be. And from there, you can look for continuation. Let's say you have a $10 trade, 10 standard. You started with 10 standard. You close 5. You already closed 5. You're holding 5 standards. At this specific area, you're gonna add $2 in a brand new trade. And whatever these 5 standards is doing, once these $2 go to, let's say, $1,000, 50 pips in profits, then you're gonna kill this position, and that $1,000 is gonna cover whatever this price is doing, and you're gonna continue milking it. Overall, every time, remember this because it's really important. Every time the price hits 300 to 325, your job is to kill all positions. 90% of your positions need to be closed. Why? Because at that 325, 300 mark, there's gonna be a pullback. And if you enter somewhere here, you're gonna be in, let's say, 50 pips in profits, probably 20 pips in profits. And if for any reason the 300 mark or the 325 mark is rejected, price is gonna stop you out. I'm telling you this because of my experience. Yesterday, for example, I was holding position. Price went, I don't know, I don't even remember where price went yesterday. But I moved my stop loss inside profits. Yeah, price pulled back all the way up. It stopped me out. But at least I already closed like 99% of my position. I was not holding a big thing. I was holding a penny lots, let's say. And market is probabilities. Why I'm telling you this is because most of the times we as traders, all we see is price going down. Nobody, I don't know, maybe people don't post on social media important key points in the market, especially whoever is trading gold or they don't have enough experience. Nobody talks about this 300 from 325 pips in the market. I haven't heard from anybody, from those influencers out there. I haven't heard from, that they say, hey, be careful trading at 300, be careful trading at 325 when price already delivered that volume, a daily candle that delivered 320. The worst thing that you can do here is trading with FOMO. Same to the upside. You missed the whole move from SN session, London session, price already delivered 300 pips, 325. The worst idea possible you can have is be a fucking breakout trader there, expecting 100 pips to the upside. Yes, you can be breakout trader, but only look for 20 to 25 pips as a breakout trader. So that can be the push that you may get. Other than that, no, don't do it because it's going to be like committing suicide. It's like I said, you're trying to sell this area here with FOMO, you're gonna. It's like you're shooting yourself in your foot. It's not worth it.
Damn,
it's not worth it. And this information here, always do the homework. Come to every session. Same as, hey, where I have my 50 pips below the London low? Where do I have my 50 pips above the London low? Where do I have 100 pips from the London low? Use the lines. If you don't have TradingView, at least use a book. And write in a book, oh, fuck, London close the 25. Let's say London close exactly at the 25. How can I be a breakout trader below that London low? Oh, I need a body of the candle. How many pips price is gonna deliver? If that 25 was my low of the 4 hour, oh, I can target the 95. Price is not respecting the 50 pips, I can target the 90. Oh, price can break more than that. Where do I have my 300 pips from for the daily average daily range? And take those numbers in. I love numbers. I really love numbers, and trading is probabilities. But sometimes my discipline doesn't allow me to jump over and over again, even buying that shit from the 325 pips from the daily low. It's not my discipline. And sometimes I know that I miss a lot of money in the market because of my discipline. But long term, it's gonna pay. I don't care. This is a long process. Being a trader is not something that you're gonna become rich quick. You're not gonna flip an account from $1,000 to $20,000 in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, in 1 year. It's almost impossible. Whoever is telling you that is because they want to blow the money from your account. It's not possible. If you made 20% today, 30% today, 50% today, I bet the next week you cannot blow all that money back to the market. If you don't control your emotions, you need a lot of experience. I've seen this market, many years, and I know a lot of people get, like excited because they make 2% daily, they make 3% daily. Yes, markets at any given point are gonna take 5, 6, 8, 10% in 1 day. But consistency is key. You know, you play the odds, market's gonna be there tomorrow and whatever, you know. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a hurry to make, you know, to keep feeding the market. Either it's black or white.
We gotta get our Lambos.
Yeah. That's the thing. You know what I mean? People want to rush the process and you don't realize that this is a rigged thing to work with. How many pips that daily deliver here below that daily low? You see? Yeah, the usual 10 pips as a fake. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Are you in buys, Marco, again on that 83?
No. I call it a day already. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm happy I managed the risk.
Yeah,
Because counter trending is not an option, you know.
No.
If it's going down, you should get out.
Exactly.
Because that's a counter trending. Obviously, we were looking for sales, but in some specific area you mapped out perfectly.
Yeah.
We look for reaction, you know.
Yeah.
Reaction can be 10 pip, 20 pip, 30 pip, 50 pip, or
yes, sir.
Can be the whole reversal, you know.
Hey,
Nobody
Marco,
knows. Yeah.
Especially when there's too many red candles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, too many red candles. That's the best strategy ever, to be honest.
But the best is just go with the trend, but sometimes we can.
Well, because
mess around.
if you know, if price keeps going in such a way you miss the buys, there will be sells. There's opportunities both ways. It's not just one way,
Yeah.
one-sided.
Yeah, of course. I mean, market is in waves, right? It goes up and down, up and down. It's not gonna go straight down or straight up.
We like it to.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, the main thing is just managing risk. That's my focus basically.
Yeah.
I don't care about how much I'm gonna make, 20 pip, 30 pip. What I'm caring about is keeping my account. I don't want to blow my account. And the only way you can do it, just manage your risk. If it's not going into your favor, just close it.
Yeah.
You were wrong. That's it.
Yeah. Look, we could have bought that thing because it was oversold.
Oh yes, you see?
At
That's what I
9:30,
told
you know.
man. I was looking at that.
At 9:30. Yeah. This indicator was telling you at 9:30 was oversold. Why you didn't sold that low, you know? And look what price did at 9:30 there. The 9
Yeah, it dropped 100
yeah.
pips, right?
The 9 It's crazy shit, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Volvimos a la mayo con ketchup y mostaza.
That's the other one. Where is the that's the RSI, right? RSI.
Yeah, RSI.
La que tenía, ¿no?
Sí, pero hay uno que se pone en las velas, like RSI candles, like Virgin, Strategy, I don't know, Harry Potter. Who the fuck is Harry Potter here? Yeah, let's see this Harry Potter.
When I started trading, I
shit.
used to look at MACD. MACD was
Yeah,
was
but
one
this
of the
thing,
favorite.
why is Harry
Oh,
Potter?
what is this?
Harry Potter.
Freaking.
The
I
Harry
guess-
Potter thing.
Green is buy. We buy in green and sell in red.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, shit, man. I don't know, man.
Es el
Steve Mauro. Man, Steve Mauro probably created that thing. Steve Mauro. No, Steve Mauro, no. Ketchup. No.
Monkey.
Mustard. I know they call those mustard Mustang. Beat the market maker TDI. Let's see this one. Yeah, this is how I started trading. The TDI. Yeah, this crap.
What the hell is going on here?
Bro, this is how I started trading with the RSI, the relative, the TDI.
This looks like a kindergarten.
Bollinger Bands. Oh, price grows inside that mustard. Now you have the ketchup kissing mustard. That's crazy shit. And this is Bollinger Band. But we had something here, the EMAs though. I remember the EMAs. EMAs 15. The EMA was the 15.
I don't understand why people have the EMAs on the chart.
Because
just,
they don't know how to identify support and resistance. EMAs is that. You know, the EMAs is that. EMAs is support and resistance. 3, 5, 50, 100, this may be legit. Because the 50, 100, and 200, they're more, but see, before this
Yeah,
thing.
but they are more like a swing trading style, you know, moving average.
what the
Not for
fuck?
scalping. I don't think it works.
No, not really. And they have a lot of lag when these candles are, you know, are going. Look, this is weird.
Oh,
This
what
is
is
not
this,
the
man?
right thing. Yeah, the line is supposed to follow the chart. Fuck, I'm getting dizzy now. Fucking hell. Let me remove this shit before. Mustard,
Kerwin?
mayo, ketchup.
the tuna sandwich.
Yeah,
Kerwin.
blood in the water.
¿Qué está hablando ayer?
En todo caso, hoy cuando abrió Nueva York, estaba difícil sin pullback, ¿no?
Sí,
O
definitivamente.
sea, de hecho cerró sin mecha arriba.
Sí.
Podía simplemente ir y hacer un rechazo y devolverse.
Yeah.
¿O valía la pena entrar?
No, en realidad no, en ese momento no. Es difícil. Es que lo que mata es las noticias y cuando están noticias te tienes que agarrar a madrazos con el COMEX. COMEX is a thing. Porque un montón de órdenes se ponen en la sesión de COMEX, pero COMEX cuando hay noticias es como que las órdenes no entran al mercado. Entonces, las noticias van a romper.
¿Se te fue el audio o soy yo?
Sí, no se le escucha. No se te
fue.
escucha.
¿Se me escucha? ¿No se me escucha? ¿Me escuchan, chicos? ¿O no me escuchan, boludo?
Ahora sí.
Ah, se me fue el audio. Oh, mi internet dice que no es estable. My internet connection is not stable.
Llama a Elon Musk, bro.
¿Ah?
Llama a Elon Musk.
Bueno, madrugada, ¿no? ¿Pero me escuchan bien ahora?
Sí, ahora sí.
Okay.
No pagaste el bill.
Ajá. Probablemente está hackeándome el sistema, Ethan. Por aquí, por ejemplo, esta vela de aquí, esa entrada que nosotros le buscamos debajo de ese bajo de COMEX, valía la pena, porque las órdenes se sientan a esperar muchas veces el volumen de COMEX. Si ese COMEX empujó, te quedó en resistencia, cualquier cosa de las noticias que rompe el alto y rompe el bajo, esa dirección de ese bajo es la que tú quieres seguir. Pero nada, las noticias parece que querían hacer ese fuckery de siempre, de hacer liquidez de otro lado. Y la única zona que teníamos aquí para hacer el fake out era esto de aquí, esta zona de aquí atrás. Lo fishy y lo más malo del mercado, like really worst thing that happens in the market is that this move looks legit. And if you don't pay attention to the lower time frames, like 1 minute, you're gonna get destroyed. Plain and simple. Pay attention. I've been talking about this scenario multiple times. News apparently grab liquidity. The move is short-lived, numbers, whatever, even if the numbers are, let's say, good for bad for the dollar. Why? This is just reflected in 2 5-minute candles. If you don't pay attention to the 5-minute candles, lower time frame structure, and you don't master the art of this strategy, then you're gonna get destroyed because all you see here is healthy volume. It's like, oh my God, yes, it's going up now. No, I'm gonna buy now at the break of this candle high after the news. I'm gonna buy here, and you know that's the average trader. That's their thing, but they don't know much about the way that price behave in the lower time frames. Why? You know, after that heavy volume there, why all of a sudden, shit, in this area here, why all of a sudden price is like, oh, I don't like that area anymore. So fuck it. I'm gonna retest one more time and I'm gonna create my resistance confirmation at any given point and I'm gonna start delivering. Look at the lower time frame right there, even with that lower time frame there. To go short, this low right here, that may be the option. All you need to understand is the most dangerous pullback tends to happen on a hourly candle opening, on a 30-minute candle opening. But if price is leaving that area there, yes, you have a lot of targets, you know, but once price move and whatever happened, it's easy to say, oh yeah, the price went to the downside because this was the reaction. From there, all you're gonna see is pullback, 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 delivery, delivery. And it's crazy because a lot of people, instead of planning for the continuation from the bigger picture intraday and the market structure intraday, they do the opposite. They go for loans at the break of that area. They go for loans at the break of this area. They go for loans at the break of the new candle there, and they don't pay attention. If you're in that position there, your best bet is, hey, close that shit, you know, close that shit, or start moving your stop loss pretty tight. Because once price create that pullback and close below the nearest breakout candle that you have here, don't matter if it's a 30-second candle, if it's a 1-minute candle, I'm not telling you by any meaning, I'm not telling you, hey, trade the 1 minute. No. I'm telling you, this was a previous area. The breakout, once you have the close below that area there, this fucking thing is a fake out. And all you're going to have here is a push, 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 push. Key levels. They're part of the structure there. And you use the key levels as confluence. But, you know, it's a shame. The move that we wanted made a lot of sense. I'm telling you this because I've seen this plenty of times. Even price in this area here, price trying to deliver. I'm like, man, I can't believe this shit is gonna happen. So it is what it is.
Hey, I had a question.
Yeah.
It's unrelated to trading, but y'all like Porsche? Like,
yeah,
the brand, the car brand.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm going to an event at the Porsche over here. I think it's the only Gen 5 building in Florida. So I was gonna say I'll send some videos of cars and shit if they have anything cool, like maybe
Oh,
GT3
really?
RS or something. I don't know.
When is that? Is this weekend?
Today at 5. It's only invite only, so it's like for us real estate agents.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll
Is
send
that
some-
in Champions Porsche?
Huh?
In Champion Porsche?
I don't know. It's here in Fort Myers, but they got
Fort Myers.
that they have. It's a new building. It's called a Gen 5 building.
Oh,
They said it's the only one in Florida. I
Oh,
don't know.
okay. Yeah.
But if they have any cool shit, I'll send it in the Slack.
Sounds Gucci, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Okay,
I'm
Manu, I'm
sorry,
gonna
I
call it a
forgot to
day.
mute myself earlier. Sorry for that.
No, that's
It's
all
okay,
right,
bro.
Reza. I know that your wife was fighting with you, and that's okay, brother.
Yeah.
It's
Don't
just
worry.
a little bit of stress on top of the trading stress. That's okay. Nah, that's okay, brother. No worries.
I'll see you tomorrow, hermanos.
Esa vaina está
Thank you very
golpeando todo el
much.
que quiera comprar.
Bye,
Thank
Marco.
you.
Se te moró, Marco.
brother.
Yeah. ¿Que lo compraste, te dice Juan? Ahora mismo.
Sí,
Ok.
Wow.
20 lotes. No, mentira. Que está golpeando a todo el que quiere comprar.
Sí. Sí, es que es bastante el stop loss, no jodas.
No, yo no compré nada.
Se ve poquito, pero es bastante. Son 15 pipas, sí.
Ya
I
no
mean,
voy
it's,
a... No
it's
más
too early, but I
trades.
like the
4 horas
daily,
puede caer
how
más.
daily looks.
Ajá.
It can
Puede.
still provide more moves to the
Yeah.
downside.
Yeah.
No more trades. To be
Yeah.
honest, I like the buying the 70.
Oh, the 70. Okay.
Yeah, 75, 70.
But
It
don't
is a
think
new hourly candle. So this can be
we
your
get...
option, though, to be honest.
Raya
Like the pullback that makes sense in here is that 25, 24, the 24.83. That was the target for today, no? Huh? You guys
Yes.
remember? That was the target
Yes,
for today.
el
Yeah,
daily.
that was target, I guess.
Yeah.
Kerwin,
Yeah.
Raya diría, daily es red, 4 horas red, 1 hora red. ¿Dónde querés comprar?
Quisiera
red.
comprar ahí mismo donde está el precio sentado ahí. Ah, no, pero no. Para el carajo. Para el carajo, déjenlo en paz esa mierda. Se puede regresar porque es las 10 de la mañana, pero es delicado. En este punto lo mejor es esperar un pullback hasta el 90 y vender el 90. Pero si no, eso es una mierda, la verdad. No vale ni la pena.
Yo quería ver eso en H1, pero abrió directo.
Sí. Ya. Yeah,
No,
es que
bueno.
83 era el target para hoy, man, to be honest. Pero se está sentando ahí. Basta con que vuelva a crear un empuje aquí y entonces ahí sí lo pudieras un poquito como que darle un poquito de respiro, comprar a esa zona de ahí. ¿Por qué? Porque a la vez que ya compras, no compras a la loca, compras cuando el precio se cierra y todo lo que haga pullback va a ser pullback hasta aquí. Y de ahí se pudiera regresar hasta el 90. Esa zona de ahí es mejor venderla. Cuando le dije a Dean que cerrara un poco y esto, toda esta zona 88 y 90 es easy to look for sales. Yeah. Then looking for buys here is a pain in the ass, but looking for sales is not that bad. Look, that 48, this is the last 2 minutes. This is where the reaction can happen. Let's mark this level here. That's where the reaction can happen. That's the 80.
Pero el 90 que tú decías, ese no es válido ya para ti, ese pullback que hizo. Y ahí volvió
Sí,
a caer.
pero ya llegó al 80. Ya
Por
esto
eso.
te lo puedes considerar, Don, el 80, el 24-80. So, pudiera dar reyecciones de aquí. No quiero en realidad forzarlo, bro, pero tiene sentido. Que ya hizo el delivery de los 325 allí y de ahí va a ser reyección. Si no, se lo va a comer y esa mierda puede ir hasta el 24.70. Let's
Ahí
paper.
es donde tengo mi buy limit.
Yeah. Let's pay. Ah, shit. This is rejecting too much already. But to buy the 80.5. Where is the 80.5? 80, 81, 80.5 is right there. Just to have an idea if this was pretty much it for the day. The 80.5 is this one. And the low of this candle need to be respected now. Yeah. Yeah. 20 seconds left. Yeah. Yeah. That's gonna be the reaction then. That's technically the entry. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now she's supposed to pull back heavy to the high of this bearish candle. If she's pulling back little to none and break the low, yes, it's gonna be continuation. If not, this is the candle that is supposed to pull back all the way up to that 24.84. And is
bearish pressure is there, man.
there. It's there. It's there. The bearish pressure is there. So yeah. Heavy bearish pressure. 78.5. Ooh, la la, it's right there. Fuck. Man. Fuck.
Tenés el límite, Juan. El 70.
Pongámosela, Juan.
70.5.
Dejémosle un 70, un 24. ¿Se lo pudiera arriesgar? No me importa. No he querido arriesgar más nada porque, pues, mi disciplina es más de la cuenta, pero esto sí se puede dar. De verdad.
¿El 70?
Ponérselo al 70. Un buy limit del 70. Y ven el buy limit del 70. Es que comprarlo aquí sería cometer un suicidio si compramos ahora mismo aquí. Pero ahora es cuando el precio, si está rechazando ese 78.50, esta vela se puede rapidito meter otra vez en el arriba de ese 80. Pero es la bearish pressure is there, to be honest. The timing is not helping here to buy right now. Yeah. Pero esto puede
70,
ser todo.
Kerwin.
¿Ah?
70.
Compremos ese 70, ¿no?
Yo le tengo el buy limit en el 70.5.
Ajá. 70.
Low risk.
Sí, de comprar ahí sería
Pensando en el
bien,
long
bien
term.
bajo riesgo.
Hey, go ahead and take some buys. Be my liquidity, please.
No, what we are saying is that we can plan like a buy limit from that 70.5 and low risk.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
I
So
mean,
you
if
still
you think
have
about
like
it,
easy like 70, 80 pips to the downside there.
only thing I look at sales is never long term. I just look at it as a big ass pullback just so price go again. That's all sales are to me.
Kerwin.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your thoughts on this? Might sound a little crazy. What, buying the 73 or 75? Because right now we're at 360 for the day already. And it's 9 a.m. There's still fucking so much more room in the day. So at some point we're gonna be getting some reversals.
Yeah, the 10-10, that previous idea is because the 10-10 could have been like the pullback, like the reaction here. But look, that 10-10 draw price for extra 2-3 minutes there. And yes, you're trading the last two at this point. This is the third. So the next candle is going to be the one that can give you the fake out. But it's also really dangerous to buy this area here. It's like,
well, really... I know. I mean, that's what I'm saying. The 75, 73. So, we haven't even hit those yet.
The 75 is going to be like the 400 mark for the daily, right? Can be a banger, not going to lie. But I like the idea that one has a better idea, because if you buy the 70, you can still trade to the previous yearly high as a form of pullback from that 70 to this area here.
You mean like hold it?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. The weekly already hit that low of the weekly, so it's gonna deliver a little bit more. But this area, the kilo itself, can give you a pretty decent reaction. Yeah. The daily here, how many pips? And this is like committing suicide because the bearish pressure is there. 300. Yeah. Let's see. Let's say it's roughly there. The 74. 74, 6.
I would suspect structure to be forming. I mean, obviously not just buying it. I want to see like some consolidation going on, and then like break the structure and then head up. That would be ideal.
About to get it there.
Yeah, we're about to get there. Man, I'm gonna open my terminal, bro. Can I open my terminal?
Just trying to get there quickly, man.
Fuck. It's gonna be a shame if this candle is not delivering more than this. Man. Let's see. 7.5 to the T, man. Fucking hell. Yeah. It's gonna be a shame if we don't get that order delivered, brother.
Exactamente al 75.
Yeah, that was aggressive, man. In 2 minutes, it went 80 to 75. 2 minutes.
Give me 1 second, guys.
No haber aguantado esa ventica.
Yeah.
Cállate que a mí me sacó, hombre.
Yes. What time? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be here. Yes. Okay. Just let them know that once they're at the gate, they're gonna need to call me so I can let them in. I can, let them in. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye, you too.
¿Cuántos lotes dice el market maker? ¿Cuántos lotes le dijo?
Oh, no. No. Es el refrigerador que lo vienen a dejar mañana. Era para confirmar.
Que era el market maker.
No. Juan.
Excuse me, bro. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Why you didn't sell from 2482.75 like after the breakout at 2484 or 2483?
Because
continuation was almost confirmed. So why wouldn't you enter the retest?
Because the average daily range is already done. And trading below that area, anything that happens to the downside is forcing something to happen to the 400 mark. If I had to sell gold earlier on, I'll be selling gold from whatever the daily low, from the NYSE low. A lot of things that I could have done earlier on, but at this point, nothing, bro. Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
No problem, brother. Here comes another drop though. See if you
Ahí
really
vamos,
wanna.
ahí vamos.
¿Ah?
Ahí vamos. Ahí va por nuestra orden.
Ahí va por la orden. Pero no he abierto la terminal. No quiero meterle una orden pendiente ahí, to be honest. Está dangerous, man. Wow. Stissing. 17 seconds left.
Is this going to be the fake out for everyone?
Yeah, probably. This is the candle that will tease you. Yeah. Here comes the last 2 minutes. And if she's breaking that low, it's gone so to the downside still. Yeah. 5, 4, 3. It's coming for your entry, Juan. You wanna
Let's go.
you wanna jump on it?
Sí, yo la tengo. Yo la
Okay.
abrí.
Yeah.
La tengo ahí desde hace rato, la verdad.
Oh, okay.
Vamos a ver qué tal Juan te vas hoy.
Yeah. Está cabrón, la verdad. Esa bearish pressure se ve demasiado fuerte. Yeah.
Si durante el día vuelve a ese 90, tú lo venderías desde ahí. Para dejarlo hasta así.
Al 90. Al 90 o al 24.96.
Ok, tengo una alarma en el 92. A partir del 90-92 lo quiero vender.
Yeah. 24.90 es una. Esa zona
Sí.
si te diera una reyección y otra que pudiera ser es 24.96.
24.96.
Sí, 24.96. Este breakout de aquí. Porque el precio puede empujar, crear estructura. Tomorrow, try to look for resistance from there.
Are we? Is this the fake out?
Here,
Is this the fake out?
Huh?
Are we gonna? Is this the fake out?
Let me see. Level 24.80.
Got close to that 73. Got really close.
24.75. 75. 24.75. Oh, because the candle hasn't closed on that 75 yet.
Es fuerte ese equilibrio, pero
sí, pero confiar en un kilo así
no.
menor no es la mejor opción.
Exacto, lo que te iba a decir. No me esperaría algo, un soporte de M15 o de M30 para comprarlo, algo ahí. Encima ese del 75.
Yeah.
Pero no pienso en comprarlo, pienso en venderlo, pero más tarde.
Yeah. Oh, it's gone so.
No para de bajar, qué
No
locura.
para. No. Está la bearish pressure, está ahí. Oh, ¿hay noticias ahora?
No,
sí.
no.
¿El spread cómo está? Esto es
Está normal.
demasiado para este kilo.
1.5.
¿Esto un poquito más alto?
Un poco
¿O normal?
1.5, 1.6. Está normal
Ay, no.
para mí. Mi broker está normal.
Porque
A
eso
mí no
de
me
que
llega
se dé
uno.
esos latigazos aquí es como que está golpeando stop losses o recogiendo liquidez aquí. ¿Quieres paper trade algo? No para entrar. I don't want you guys to pull the trigger here. Price breaking, that's the 76.5. The stop loss. The stop loss below that candle there, that's the 97. So see, yeah, something like this. If price is breaking that 96.5. 96.5, yeah, 96.5. Let's see. 76.
La verdad, si no llega y recoge mi orden, no pienso tomar.
Ok. Yeah.
Que está muy fuerte. Si te la recoge y se activa, son 100 pips. Pero si no, puede darte 100 pips más abajo. Es un 50-50, ¿sabes? Pero
Yeah.
si la idea es buena.
Yeah.
No, igual es con poco riesgo, ¿no?
Ah, ok.
Y igual los trades pasados que me saltó el stop loss también los tomé con muy poquito riesgo.
Bueno.
Ok.
Menos mal.
Ya, menos mal. No está, tú sabes, para andar arriesgando mucho aquí.
Yo no tomo nada.
Yeah. Esta
café.
zona de... Ajá. ¿Ni café?
Ni un café sí, digo un café. Wow.
It's right there, Juan. Timing, fuck, I'm gonna open my terminal, man.
Un poquito más, por favor.
I'm gonna open my terminal, Juan. If this thing has stopped me out, then I'm gonna blame you.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna pull the trigger in the last 2 minutes of this candle here.
Así no llegue al nivel.
Así no llegue al 70. Even if price is not going to that 70. I'm gonna buy the last 2 minutes. Yeah.
Let's go,
I'm
man.
buying
Pick
it
it
from
up. Pick it up.
69.
Ah,
Pick it
I'm
up.
buying
Pick
it
it up.
at 69.
Okay, even better. 70 is the option.
Ahí está 70.
It's right there. For a
Pick it
pullback
up.
to this high. Timing, that's all right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1,
No me va a recoger la orden.
and
Ahí va, espera.
don't break more than that, perra. I mean, Juan, wish me luck.
Okay.
If this candle break that yellow line, which is the kilo, I'm gonna close 50. This is a small risk. Yeah. Push, push, push. Entry is right there. Man, you made me open my terminal, bro. Trading the last 2 minutes of this candle is gonna be key for me to have a push all the way to that 7.5 and this candle pulling liquidity. This can be my banger for the week.
Ahí va.
Yeah.
No,
I
no
have
la
the
alcanzo.
option to close 5% now, 50% at 10 pips in here. Okay. You see that candle? Now the stop loss needs to be pretty tight here. That's gonna be my stop loss. 1 minute, close pretty decent. Push, push, push. Man, you made me open my terminal. For my discipline, this is no bueno.
Culpa de Juan.
I'm roughly 11 pips in profits here. Okay, push, push, push. Give me 30 at least.
Yeah, big bullish pressure. Come on.
Ahí está.
Give me
La
my
mía,
30 pips, baby.
como no alcanzó a recoger mi
20,
orden, yo le entré un poquito más
22,
arriba. Come on.
23, 30. Okay.
Ahí está.
I close 50 here.
Beautiful, man.
Holy fuck.
You
My
know,
idea play.
If this step one didn't work, I'm gonna charge you, bro, for this fucking trade.
Espérate, verás que vamos a subir hasta el 500 desde aquí.
Look.
Es que puede subir bastante porque no ha hecho el pullback en ningún momento, ni M15, ni M30. Ese H1 no lleva mecha. Puede que se recoja entera la vela H1 y son 120 pips.
Yeah.
Por lo menos
too
hasta el
many
80, man.
red candles.
Too many red candles, bro.
Esa entrada de Juan que
Didn't
tenía
have the
sentada.
balls to.
No la
I was
cogió,
just
me
looking.
tocó.
I didn't have the balls. Nice job.
But the
Another
timing
two-
was good, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
another 2.8%.
Yeah.
Nice job. Nice job.
Yeah.
Great, great.
¿Pero aseguraste, Juan, ya?
Yo aseguré la mitad. La
Ok,
tomé
yo
más arriba
también.
porque no la alcanzó a agarrar donde la tenía.
Yo también.
Pero
Pinche
es que
Juan me hizo abrir mi terminal, bro. Fuck.
Look
Pero
at that.
pagó,
77,
recuperaste
78.
tus.
Yeah, I'm back to
77,
business though, for real.
Oh.
I'm back to, and the thing is, this thing can easily give us the reaction for the rest of the week. So this can
For
be the
sure,
banger.
man.
You
For
remember
sure.
how I missed that entry on that 30 flat, and price went to the 32.70, and that shit delivered like 1,000 pips to the upside. Yeah, man.
Yes, I remember. La que nos dejó en visto también.
No te dejó en visto. So hoy
Así
no
como-
iba a dejar esta mierda que pasara la oportunidad.
No, esa perra me dejó en visto. Me tocó entrarle cuando tú entraste. Un poquito más
Yeah.
arriba.
Look, I'm gonna secure a little bit more here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna modify this position so I don't take a. Yeah.
Cristian
And-
entró, ¿no?
Eh?
I will see you tomorrow, bro.
Take
Thank
care,
you.
bro. Look, let me.
No entré, Juan, no
Oh,
entré.
the picture got in. Thank you, Juan. That silly running is 55
Eso va
pips now.
eso va pa'
My camera is
90.
on, right? Look.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ay, fucking hell.
Yo la tomé un
There was a
poquito
nice
más
trade.
arriba.
Pero valió la pena, Juan, lo esperaste y mira.
You get
Sí.
lucky one day, one time. I don't easily pull my rulers, my rules out of my pocket, you know, like unless they really need to get done. And the trade here, the last 2 minutes of that candle there is leave free or die hard. Price leaving this yellow line, close something, close the position, close 50%. Price leaving that area, the 69 area, don't force it. Just be happy with it.
Now
Yeah.
is risk free.
Yeah, now it's risk-free. This trade may push toward this area here. So we can look for sales later on or maybe tomorrow. If not, this was pretty much it. It was a killer move though. Look how nasty this move can be. I like the idea that this candle here didn't close below the kilo. So this candle can still induce and all of a sudden close back above the kilo. Being with that information, you can force it to the 79.5 to the 80. Price closing above that 80, you can target the upper zone at 90 there. And you never know if this is gonna be the banger for the week. But if you have to do it, even if I close now, I made my losses back because now it's a different game. If I have to move my stop loss from this area here and not expecting much from this thing in here, I can move my stop loss inside profits now to the, let's say, to the low of this candle. Same idea as before, like buying the 76.5, your stop loss is the low of that candle. And it's not random. It's a specific price points. If you're gonna survive from now on, the low of this candle here has a meaning in the market. So why risking the entire position there, the entire stop loss, if you can move the stop loss to the low of this candle here, or you can move the stop loss to the low of this candle. If this is a valid support, the candle low is gonna get respected for the rest of the session. So nothing. Yeah. Why that price level again? Why that price level again entry? Joel, because it's this area here is a 15 pips above the kilo. That means that if the candle closed above the kilo, price breaking 15 pips above the kilo is not being respected, and that kilo can deliver to the next kilo, to the 80 there, But the entry that we got here is based off timing and based off the round number. Price can go to the exact round number. Price can go 5 pips above the round number, let's say somewhere here, for example, and still reject. Price don't need to hit the exact number to be a valid reaction. And timing is important in the market. Timing more than anything. Many trades that I see the setup, but the timing is not there, I don't consider that setup because it's dangerous. It's fucking dangerous. Look, I'm gonna close more on this trade.
Sniper
Yo
entry.
solo tengo un 30% corriendo.
Ya. Voy a cerrar manual. Voy a cerrarle otro porcentaje aquí y I close more and I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it do his thing for the rest of the session. Fuck it. If price goes back to my entry, it is what it is.
My stop loss is below the red candle.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That's like you say.
Yeah. At this point, I'm only holding, I'll say like 50, then manually close technically another 50. So it's technically holding 25% from this trade.
Bonito el rechazo, brother.
Bonito. Pagó. Le debo a Juan los profits del día. Si este trade
I'm going to send you the wallet.
The wallet, yeah. Send me the wallet.
Págale en Shiba.
Te voy a pagar con Rebels, ¿cómo es que se llaman estos? Los Russian Rebels.
Pero en realidad, bro, te hago una pregunta para los que operan M5.
Sí.
Si vemos este rechazo, tenemos la confirmación encima de 775.
Sí.
En realidad, los que operan M5, este trade es perfecto porque si usas 15 o 20 SL,
sí.
se movió 30 pips aquí, ¿no?
También.
Digo yo, no te pregunto.
Sí.
Porque tienes la confirmación del rechazo en los 30 pips, ahí ya estás.
Si tengo que sobrevivir, tengo que sobrevivir con este stop loss de aquí.
Correcto.
Un stop loss ahí, ese sería un stop loss bueno. No importa, la entrada fue milimétrica, una pendejésima. Dejar esos 6 pips ahí, like hanging in there, is not worth it. You can move the stop loss inside profits. Plus, you're not holding a big position. You're holding probably like 10%, 25% of your position.
The entry is no drawdown.
No drawdown.
Yeah, that was perfect timing.
Yeah. But see how the timing needs to be done, and one made me open my terminal, but I closed most of this position. Look.
Yeah, you got in better than I did.
Yeah. See, 50% at 30 pips there. That's what I wanted, to retest this area here, that previous breakout. This is extra juice. This is just being happy with the profit and calling it a day. You know, it is what it is.
You got the 71. You got pretty
71.34. Yeah. And I was willing to close the position if price was leaving the kilo itself, and especially in the last 2 minutes.
I will admit, I bought in a little bit earlier. I was in a little drawdown, and then I bought again. And then when you bought in, I was thinking about buying again.
Uh-huh.
But I was like, no, I don't want to overdo it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not too bad. 5.6 for the day. Not too
That's
bad.
great. That's great. If I close now, probably be like, I don't know, maybe like 1%. Yeah.
Yeah, all trades today were counter trades. Every single one.
Yeah. Crazy shit. All right, my children. Take
See you
care. Stay
tomorrow.
safe.
Take care, Kerwin.
I'll see
you
you
tomorrow,
Juan,
bro.
thank you so much, brother. You
Thank
called
you,
it, mate.
you.
Thank you, bro, for the education. Thank you.
My pleasure, brother. Yeah, man.
Take care, Kerwin. Bye.
Take care, hermano. Cuídate. Ciao.
Thank you, Kerwin.
Chao,
All
chicos.
right.
Amigos, que estén bien.
Ciao. Bye-bye. If we close now, then price is gonna drop a lot more. So let's close this position so we can get better entries for tomorrow. Nah, that's all right.
Yeah, man, mejor.